Are we on? Are we live? Did we go live? What's up, people? How we doing? All righty. So, sorry for being a little bit late. My mouse literally died right as I was about to come on. So, hope everybody's having a good afternoon. I just happen to be printing on spy puts right now, which is really, really fun. Hopefully, you guys help those. He's definitely late this time. I definitely was a little bit late this time. How we doing? Man, those spy puts are dirty. So we got AMC at 1778 over here. Spy puts up 97%. TLT was coming back to life a little bit there. Ford puts up 21%. Nice. You really need Roku to tank? Oof. He's paper handing and doesn't want us to see. No, I still have them. The spy puts that I have are up 97, 95, 93, 95. Flickering. It's flickering. How you guys doing? Also, for everybody coming in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. We're going to be on until the end of the day, writing out these spy puts, hopefully, till the end of the day. You didn't paper hand when it poked above 435. Surprise, Big Dave. I had an order in to buy more. Spy puts 105%. There we go. Alrighty. So, how's everybody doing? Spy going to 4:30. Rip TMI's YouTube chat. What happened? DraftKings puts. There you go. Yeah, dude. I had an order in to buy more spy puts. Matt tweet. What did Matt tweet? I just see a bunch of retweets. I don't see anything. Alrighty. So, how's everybody doing today? Bought more at 435. They're up 70%. Dude, I had an order in to buy more, and then it didn't fill. So, what are these at right now? I'm kind of YOLO and diamond handing these spy puts. They're up 111%. This is nasty. YouTube took away TMI's chat, left the stream up though. Dude, YouTube's been messing with us so hard today. Like, my screen earlier just glitched out. You bought 2,000 shares at 1955, 3 minutes before the dump yesterday. Unbelievable. Ooh, that's tough. All right, let's see. The mouse is probably going to be good for a little while now. All righty, connected. All right, what's spy at now? Amy coming down, GME coming down, TLT getting a push to the upside over here. So let's see what we got going into the end of the day. STV Squirrel, what's up, man? It was dirty. Smacked the ass so hard. It got a handprint. Dude, I literally had an order in to buy more. I was going to buy 2 more contracts when it was popping up. I was like, this is bullshit. This is not a real move to the upside. I was right. I just went it here. Where's I don't have the 25. That's what I need. I need the 25. Where is it? And it needs, what in the shit? Get these out of here. Oh, wait, hold on. These are MAs. Oh, I don't want these. I need the 25, I think it was. I think that's what it was. 25 MA over here. Let's see. Style. Was it green? Great. That's not the green that I want. This green. Boom. There we go. Yeah, it was this nonsense move. I was trying to get it up here, and then it just rejected right away. So let's do a little bit of a quick Ortex update over here on Amy. Let's see what we got going on here, people. 100% utilization. Not really. Oh my God, the minimum cost, the utilization is completely fake. 2.29 million borrowed shares, 1.49% average cost to borrow, but the minimum is 0.51%. Nonsense. So SPY doing its thing down here at the lower end of this range. Let's see what happens over here on the 1 minute. It just looks like it wants to come down. It's not having fun. So Amy coming down a little bit here. TLT starting to make a move back to the upside. SPY just bottomed. I don't know. CO Adam donating games. She shares the charity. Yep. Stuff's too expensive. Got to put debit spread. Yeah, it was a little bit expensive. Up 10% on 431s. Caught the train too late, but I wanted some Friday tendies. Yeah, Micron put up 425%. I wish you got more than 2. Holy shit. Yeah, I mean, I went big on the SPY for me. So these are up 104% right here. TLTs are coming back to life. This is a bigger SPY trade for my standards. This is solid. And it doesn't really show any signs of slowing down. So let's see. I want to put the MACD on here. That's why this looks weird, because I don't have the MACD. Where is it? Where are you at, MACD? Everything got all messed up when I was trying to. Where the hell is the MACD? There it is. There it is. Now everything looks a little bit more normal. Here we go, folks. So watch SPY breaking that 432 again and then continuing to make a new low. TLT trying to get up. How are those oil plays if you held them? USO. I got out of those. Came back to life. There you go. Anybody holding USO? There you go. Maybe I'll play a little oil going into the end of the day today. We got a little while left where we can get some oil contracts. So Brent crude up 0.31. WTI crude down 0.34. TMI stream got shorted. That's nonsense over here. Where's USO? Okay. SPY flickering around over here a little bit. You're still holding the 6450 USO? There you go. I mean, that's what I had earlier today. And I'm back. What's up, Putmaster? How you doing, buddy? So, yeah, as everybody's filtering in too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. YouTube's been really screwing with us today. Let's see. SPY, a little bit of a pop here. Let's see. The Federal Reserve has officially banned employees from trading the following assets: Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, stocks, and bonds. Did they officially do it? DM Ohio. That's interesting. Why won't Ford just give up? Dude, I don't know. Ford is freaking strong like Bolt. I mean, it's coming down. I think it could come down to this 200 EMA over here, which would be fine with me. SPY's coming up to test that 13 over here. What's it on the 1 minute? Coming up to test the 48 again. Same thing that we've seen so many times today. Come up, test, new low. So we'll see what happens going to the end of the day. SPY about to break January 27th closing price, short-term close. Yeah. Is the Feds talking today? No. Send you a DM. Atticus and I are day trading? No way. Let me see. Oh, Ben, that's awesome. Ben, that's super cool. TMI has no live chat on YouTube. Dude, I don't know what the hell is going on, but YouTube is glitching like really hard today. We were talking about it this morning. Where is TMI? Let's take a look. It says chat is disabled for this live stream. That's what it says. So that's weird. At least you have your live chat still for now. For now, I do. All right, SPY coming up to test this 13 again. Let's see what happens. MACD is not really doing a whole lot over here. AMC 1779 over here. The Fed, stop it. Citadel's clients should be pulling out hard in the coming weeks and months. They could. He's on Twitch though. Gotcha. Yeah, my chat's working for now. Y'all need to stop bad mouthing Ford. Ford needs to hit 25 again, so I'm not homeless. I'm just trading it today. So it's looking like it wants to get a 1348 cross here soon, which would be great for my puts. SPY coming up to test this 13 right here. It's been doing this a few times. It's done this. Wait, yeah, back here it kept doing it. So SPY's actually coming back up decently here. I don't like it, but we'll see. TMI sacrificed the entire chat for Amy. It looks like it, man. All right, let's see what happens with SPY here, if it's going to continue down or if I'm going to have to get out. The OBV fell out of the SPY. Pump fakes are getting me today. Mike G, you think it's still coming down? Squirrel, what do you think we're getting here? I think we're getting more downside after this fake little pop. That's what I think. Where's USO? I think I can flip it a little bit going into close. I think I can. All right, maybe a little bit more USO. USO, what do we got here? Another oil play. How cheap are these? Oh, these are dirt cheap. SD, how you doing? USO not high enough? Yeah, not yet. I don't know. Let's see what we get going into close today. All right, SPY red candle here, back above 433. It always makes me wonder how people are able to watch 2 live streams simultaneously. I couldn't do it. I would lose my mind. How's the finger? It's all right. It's fine. It's just fake news over here. I think I'm going to take off the medical packing peanut like now. But we'll see what happens. So yeah, guys, as you're filtering into, make sure you guys hit that like button, engage with the content. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm, especially with YouTube messing with us today. Let's see what we got going on. 433 needs break needs to hold. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, 432.96. Okay. I'm looking for something to trade. I've got some settled cash. I don't want to get all soppy on you, but appreciate you reading my messages. I know you get so many. Proper eye candy. I try to read everyone's messages. I'm super late to the party. I was a little bit late today too. Have you talked about the announcement of the Fed accepting the rules about officials not being able to trade? Yeah, it's like no margin, no shorting, no derivatives, no nothing. And I think they also have to hold for a year, which is interesting. Crude about to go. Which way? Yeah. All right. I'll get some. I'll get a little tiny, 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 tiny. I'll go small. I went small on the USOs. So crude looks like it's coming back to life over here. I got a little tiny play on it just to kind of see if we're going to have some fun going into the end of the day. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. So this is a little baby one. I spent like 50 bucks. Drop something on your toe and you'll forget your finger. Dude, that's facts. Oil is about to skyrocket. I mean, you guys are saying it. You guys are giving me, you guys are hyping me up over here to buy more oil calls. So that's what I'm going to do. Spy new leg down. It might here. Let's check it on the 1 minute. Where's it at? Yeah, support at this 13 EMA on the 1 minute. If it breaks this and comes down again, it's gonna get gnarly. Which now it's below the 48 over here, and here it comes. So let's see what happens with USO. TLT staying above 138. Yeah, what are my contracts at? I mean, they're dead. I just want to get the money back. What are they at right now? Maybe I'll ditch the TLT. Yeah. Oh, where is TLT right now? Maybe I just YOLO TLT. TLT stair stepping its way up today, man. Ben, all right, I'll do a quick Ortex check right here. We did it before, but let's see. So we got 1.29 million shares borrowed. 0.5% cost to borrow over here. It's nonsense over here. Like it's just this is not real. Like completely not real. 21.08% estimated short interest over here. And that's what we got. TLT getting a spike over here. Amy coming down. Let's see where oil is. Did it go green? Not yet. Oil has not gone green yet. Your options expiring today. What time can I sell them? By what? It depends on what. If it's SPY and they're in the money, you'll get liquidated. But technically, if it's out of the money, you should be able to hold it until the end of until 4:15. 3:30. No, I think Webull does it at 3:30. So SPY flickering around here. Let's see where it's at on the 1 minute. Yeah, right at this 13 EMA. If it breaks, back down. Back down on the SPY. AMC up or down? Depends on the market. Most likely down for the end of the day. Alex, what's up, man? Multi-stream so easy. I got TMI on Twitch, SV on YouTube. I love Androids for multi-window. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. SPY back down. Thoughts on SOS and its Ortex data? That's a weird one. SOS is a weird one. How much are these SPY puts up now? Russia has clearly indicated to the United States that it is not attacking Ukraine. That came out just now. That's who the hell just said that? That doesn't make any sense. None of this makes any sense. All right. The USO contracts I just got are up a tiny bit, but it's just the spread. 2 p.m. margin calls. Funny guy over here. All right. So what do we got? USO 64.50 still. 57. Oh, there it goes. I would say that too if I was about to invade. Fair. All right. SPY selling off a little bit here. Oil's coming back up. Let's see what I can get on these. I mean, these are probably going to go up a little bit here. Stop being a fool and listen to me. SOS is all you need. And how is it a weird one? This market is weird. That's true. That's true. It likes to pump and dump though. It's done it before. Russia's playing with Brandon. Probably. Germany Defense Ministry. Berlin will raise the deployment readiness of German troops in the NATO response force. Dude, this news is so stupid. They're just like, oh yeah, they're not going to invade. And then Germany comes out and is like, yeah, we're getting our troops ready. It's like, bro, everybody, they just need to communicate and coordinate with each other. Like, are they invading or are they not invading? If they are, cool. Everybody get ready. Let's get our puts and we'll make money and we'll be good to go. If they're not going to invade, let's just buy calls. But tell us. Does UNG move inverse to gas stocks like XOM? It shouldn't. It just depends on what natural gases do. UNG is coming down. Where's oil? Oil chilling. Oh, Palantir puts? If they're in the money, you'll get liquidated. Ungus coming down. TLT, is this starting to make a move? Not really. USO, how we doing over here? AMC, yeah, USO's coming up. AMC 1773 over here. SPY flickering. All right. What do we got going on here? They need a narrative for the market crash. Why not more than Russia BS? That's true. Okay. Let's see if SPY wants to make a new low off of this. Where's it at in relation to this? Oh, it fell through this 13, then shot right back up. Let's see. 66% on SPY puts. Yeah, I know, FA Gorilla, but like, are they going to do it or are they not going to do it? Just tell us. Not a hedge fund. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. They should hire market makers. They are good at coordinated attacks. Fair. Very, very fair. All right. USO is starting to climb up here a little bit. These contracts could go boom. They're up 7% right now, the ones that I have. The Ford puts are up a little. SPY puts, 72%. So let's see what we get by close. This could be dirty. Ukraine president canceled flights. All right, let's see what we get. Hold it. No, I'm holding it. Oh, all right, peoples. All right. Our AMC calls smart right now. I'm not buying them. It's just not for me. All your calls are down 99%. Yeah. Mustache. Stop loss, buddy. Stop loss and quick in and outs. I mean, unless the trend is going to be like this and you can see it test, new low, test, new low, test, new low. I mean, I don't know what this one's going to be. It has done these like weird choppy moves for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 minutes before. So we could see a little bit of a chop for a while before it wants to make a new low. And that would come in right around 2 o'clock where we start to see things start to freak out. Look, is USO hyping? Nah, it's all right. It's coming back up though. Get those LMT YOLOs. Is it moving? I would play Lockheed. Lockheed's coming down though. AMC calls are not for you, lol, but other calls are. Clown. Maybe SB should believe what's coming from NATO, that a dictator, Russia's completely surrounded Ukraine. That's what I'm saying. I think that I just think it's weird. Like, if they're going to do it, like, why are they delaying it so much? Where do I see the SPY bouncing? If it really sells off, like 430, maybe. Jorge, you might be a dummy. AMC calls need to be timed. Right now is not the time. Exactly. I mean, you paper-handed your SPY puts? Nah, I have it still. Oh, we got the mass gang filtering in. Hold on. Let me shoot TMI that link real quick. Let's see what we got over here, folks. All right. And then avocado, I'll look at what you sent. Oh, okay. That's fair. Mass gang, what's up, people? All right. So LMT jerking around over here. Oh, USO. This could be a dirty play into close. No mass. When did the Olympics end? Hey, market basket. Chill out. Chill out, brother. Chill out. All right. SPY flickering around over here. USO doing all right. GME low. Minus 2.67%. AMC's down 6% today. You think Ford will drop? If freaking, what do you call it? If the SPY drops, yeah. They'll wait till after the Olympics, and the Olympics end on the 20th. So we're going to have to, oh wait, yeah, it's the 18th. Sorry, I don't know the dates ever. What's up, everybody? So SPY moving. All right, what do we got? Oil, did it go green? It's moving back up here a little bit, though. Mass gang inbound. What's up, Mass? Yeah, for all the Mass filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream, too. Help us out. I know TMI has been having some issues. YouTube was messing with me a little bit earlier today as well. So if you guys don't mind hitting that like button, just helps out. USO above 64.69. We go boom, boom. What's that right now? 64.62. Yeah. What is it? Right? Is that it? Yeah, right there. Right there. SV 2 p.m. almost here. Oh no. Oh no. You into orcs? What? Orc? I don't know. All right. Spy selling off. Everything's just flickery. It's just a flickery day. Let's see if Spy will sell off a little bit. So if you play puts on Spy, should you also play calls on TLT? I have them. I have calls on TLT. You can play calls on TLT. Like TLT's doing all right over here. Spy's just kind of hanging out before it wants to get a little selly, I think. So it's just kind of flickering in this little range. If it breaks below this 25 MA though, down. Let's see here. All right. Ho, Grandpa Barney, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Grandpa is grateful today. I got more AMC shares at a fire sale again. You can sacrifice Grandpa again. All right, Grandpa Barney, you asked for it. Put user in timeout. Grandpa Barney has been sacrificed to the AMC gods. Grandpa Barney, thank you, bud. I really appreciate that super. All right, Spy, flickery. Where's USO? USO chilling. Spy's still holding below 433. Ingme 1781. Sacrifice me for F under 18. Okay, sacrificed. Oh, Spy, what you doing over here, pal? Sacrifice the Ape Father? What did Ape Father do this time? Grandpa Barney is the GOAT? Yup, I love Grandpa Barney. Grandpa Barney's a long-time listener. Ah, Spy. Uh-oh. Watch out for my calls. I mean, my puts. Why liquidated? You can sell it. It's just if you get to a certain time, they will forcibly sell you out of your position. They will just sell it. Next candler, too, should tell us which way she wants to go. Yeah. Watch it at the 25 MA. It's done this a couple of times today before it makes a new low. Sergio. Why? Please don't spread misinformation over here. Cool dude. Bad at information. Spy above 433. Ruh-roh. In other news, Clove is going to 0. Ape Father's harassing Tendy Time. Who's Tendy Time? So many people, I just don't know. All right, Spy coming up to test this 25. Let's see what happens. If it breaks above this 25, which it really has not been good at today, I'll probably get out. USO coming back to life over here a little bit. Yeah, okay, Sergio. Okay. I'm watching the trend line. Yeah, me too. The upper end. YOLO on a bottle of Tito's today? No, that's not going to happen. I do, Jorge. Jorge, if you keep it up, you're gonna be the band. You're gonna be the band 4 days in a row today. Keep it up, bud. You're gonna get the band hammer. Just spewing nonsense over here. All right, let's see. Spy's coming up here. This might be that little fake out before it really starts to get selly. Jorge, you're about to get the band hammer. Carbon was the narrative Russian unit. Yeah. Let's see. That's a closing candle above the 25. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see here. If we eat $20 ankles, you know, only in 1997. Yeah. The market makers know. Let's see. Coming under the trend line. That's, yep. It's got to be the 25. I just want to see what it does right here. GME pop. Yeah, Amy maybe a little. Yeah, GME pop to the 48 right here. USO coming down. Do you sell the Ford puts? No. Kenny has been playing with your emotions all week. Don't Portnoy it. I don't know. We had an argument the other day, Vix. Glad you don't hold grudges, or that band hammer would have been for me. Nice we could have a civil disagreement. True. There comes SPY back down. Let's see. Natural gas all the way back to even. Maybe Ford boom. Darn. All right, SPY moving back down here. Let's see if it gets back below 433. Inverse 433 is your stop. Okay, 433.50. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. All righty, people. USO moving back down, testing the 13 over here. Kramer bullish on Bitcoin. Puts on Marin Riot. All right, let's see what SPY does right at this 5-minute 13 EMA. Everything's starting to get a push. If things start to get the push, I will YOLO on calls. I just don't think it's going to happen. All right, let's see. Amy, 1785 over here. USO just kind of chilling out at 64.50. So, I am up 40% on SOS calls. There you go. Good job. Good job. DraftKings save your portfolio. On the downside, the strangle. There you go. VIX is almost at 30. It's coming up. Is it coming up? Where's TLT right now? TLT probably sold off. Actually, TLT coming back up here. Watch out below on the SPY. Sent you a graphic I made on Twitter of an ape. If you got time to check it out, Wanted Felons. I definitely will do that, man. Citadel has the feds. Oh, God. Please don't say feds. TLT is showing signs that it wants to come up. A little bit of flight into bonds over here. Let's see what happens with the SPY at this move. SPY capitulate already. VIX is coming up. Yeah, I think SPY might come down. What happened to my sound? Nothing. It's right here. I'm talking. Feds. Stop it. Are you alone in that room? What's the shadow behind you? Yucca. Stop it. Grandpa Barney, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Puts on Kenny's plane. Let's see. Thoughts on all the USO calls over the long weekend? I wouldn't hold anything overnight these days. These days, it's getting interesting. How is SPY at the third? That's weird. SPY to 230? I don't know. You can't hear me? Can you guys just not hear me right now? Or can you hear me? Yo. No way. No way. No way. Are they really glitching out this hard? You can hear me? All right. Screw you guys. All right. TLT coming up. You can hear me? Yeah. Stop with the nonsense, people. Pranked. Oh, funny. Good one. All right. Let's see what happens here. SPY. What are these SPY contracts up now? Oh, they're going to hurt. They're going to hurt. They're going to hurt. Oh, only 45%. No, those were so good. I think watch what happens at 2. I think it could be gnarly at 2. Got him. Haha. Very funny. TMI's chat was canceled earlier. They're coming after YouTubers. Who is they? Who is them? All right. USO, what's going on here? USO coming down to the 13. We will start on March 3rd. Oh, cool. Because 2 is when people can no longer buy contracts that expire that day on a lot of brokerages. You see it a lot of the time. The big move going into the end of the day starts at 2. So SPY's kind of flickering around over here. Everything right now would be telling me to get out. Like it says get out. Stick your finger in. They is the feds? Interesting. Avocado. Oh, we're about to hit it. We hit the stop. We hit the stop. I feel like I got to sell it now, right? Yeah, I feel like we got to get out of it. If that's the stop right there, wait. Then it just came back down. They're trying to head fake me again. I swear to God, they're trying to head fake me. I just sent you adjusted positions. Oh boy. Grandpa Barney, thank you so much for the super. Huge shout out to Trapper. Much love, bro. Oh, is AMC Trapper in here? I don't see him. Where's he at? Spy moving up. TikTok. Yeah. Damn it. All right. I sold it. I got out. I sold the spy puts. It was still really good. It just wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be. So I'm out of it. I still have a little bit more time. Whoa, GME with a candle over here. 121.62. Amy, 17.93. I don't know. Is that a paper hand? Oh, what's up, AMC Trapper? How you doing, buddy? Want to close over? All right. Well, I got out. Look at VXX. You should have held those. I can always get calls on VXX. I also have USO. Those suck. Yeah, I don't know. AMD pop. Yeah, we got 2 minutes for it to close over. It looks like it's going to. Hold on. Russia stuff. For blaming Ukraine for... All right, this is crazy. All right, SPY's moving up here for like no reason. Amy popping up a little here. There's a spider on you. Interesting. SNDL, huge green candles. Missed the use of spike this morning, but still got 50% of my calls. There you go. I mean, the ones that we had were up like 200% at one point. Those were dirty. Those were spicy. All right, SPY is moving up here. Para crossing up. Ooh. Yeah, still below the 200, though. That's probably going to be the name of the game with most things over here. Just everything's crossing up, but below the 200. GME, 121.75. Amy down 5.23. SPY flickering around. Look at the candle on SOS. Well, they're coming up. No, there's a spider. Interesting. Still have my YOLO for next Friday. I ditched it. I mean, it was a good trade. It was a good trade. I'll take that all day long. What else do I have? Ford, you can go bye-bye now. What else do I have? Oh, I might take the TLTs. Where's TLT? I still have these TLT calls that I can hold for a little while. I need a self move out of the SPY. Well, that's what I needed. Well, I kind of got it the whole day. So I could have played that a little bit better, but whatever. Actually, can I just sell random stuff right now? Yeah, I'm just gonna sell like just all the things that are dead. Just take back like $2, $1. All right, what's up? Should we do puts on TLT now? I don't know. I'm gonna. Where's SPY? SPY came back down a little. Does SPY seem to be reversing today's downtrend? Yeah, it did want to go. Let's see. Yeah, the SPY puts that I had were really good for a while, and then it just fizzled out. Let me see here. Where's oil? Yeah, oil's all right over here. I don't know. SPY can still get nasty to the downside by the end of the day. Wonder if the AA shares must be held for any time period before the charities can sell it. I don't know. Yeah. Also, guys, if you guys don't mind, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. YouTube's been screwing with us today. Who do I use for taxes? An accountant. Sup, bozo? Sup, the Archduke Franz Ferdinand? How about you don't start another world war? All right, SPY flickering over here. There's that closing candle, avocado. There it is. I don't know. Let's see if it's going to come back to the upside. It may come back under the trend line. There's still time for puts. There's still time. TLT coming. All right, I'm going to ditch these TLTs just to get some money back. $100. Thank you. What else do I have? All right. SPY looks like it wants to start moving back up here. Do I YOLO SPY calls for the end of the day? I think I'm going to get a little SPY YOLO on the call side. How cheap are these? Not cheap. Alrighty. What are we looking at here, folks? So TLT's trying to come back up a little bit. SPY's trying to get a little action here. If it breaks above 434, I might get some calls. But I only have 9 minutes. We're about to run, not a drill. Forward calls now. All right. I'm going to get some SPY calls. All right. I just got some. I'm going to play the rules on this one just in terms of like the stop. But SPY could reverse here. Watch it at the 48 EMA. But I just reversed it. I pulled an Uno reverse card on this SPY position. What's considered deep in the money again? I don't know, 10%, something like that. So let's see if SPY holds this 434. There's a decent fill on this. Not the best, not the worst, but SPY's coming up a little here. Amy's popping up. TLT's coming down. I don't know. Maybe I just Uno reversed it and gonna run it up. Yuso wants to rip. Be careful. You know what? Squirrel, I'm gonna run it. Reverse. Yeah. All right, SPY. You gonna do your thing? Uno attacks, so underrated. Yep, SPY's coming up here. 3% on the SPY calls. 4% on the SPY calls. Watch it at this 48. AMD 1348 cross. Nice. Did you see the Fed news banning trades? Yes. So hold on, let me check this AMD one. Yeah, AMD crossing and coming up. I don't know. Let's see what. Oh, SPY rug pull. We're gonna need 2 or more million volume candles for the SPY. Yeah. What's it at now? Right around 434. AMD cross up. Let's see if we can get above the 200 here. See if we can get a run into the end of the day. Oh, and skip my message. Curtis, I can't see all of them. Can you tell us all why you announce your closing SPY and TLT positions, but someone else asks if you announce your AMC closeout and you tell them no? Because that's stupid. Curtis, here's the deal. Here's the deal, bucko. When you have a lot of people watching you every single day, if I said that I was selling my AMC, do you know what would happen? Some people would just sell it. They'd be like, oh, sell it. Because I know, even though what I do does not matter, people are going to make decisions based off what I do. So, like, I'm not going to say that. And then it creates all this drama. Like, it's just not worth it. I'll tell you when I sell, like, options on it, which is fine. But I'm not going to be like, oh, I sold my shares. Because then all of you guys are just going to be like, shill, hedgy, short. It's like, it's not worth it. Citadel under investigation by the Department of Justice. Yep. Curtis, that's exactly what I'm saying. It's the AMC's a different situation. What if somebody like Trey came out and was like, I sold? What do you think would happen? What would everybody else do? It's up to you to make your own decisions. I'm just deciding not to announce. Nobody, I mean, I don't think anybody's going to be like, oh, yeah, this is when I'm selling it. I think we squeeze in the coming week. News are hot. I mean, it'd be nice if we got a nice move in the coming weeks. Let's see if we can break above this 48 EMA on the SPY. 1801 on Amy. AMD's coming back up. Bully him. Let's see here. Oh, come on, SPY. 8%, 10% on SPY calls. Here we go. Riding it back up. Let's see if we're going to get some buyers stepping in here, people. Break above that 200 EMA. There we go. DraftKings bargain for a long hold. I bought more calls when SCV was buying puts. Space Monkey, stop. Stop. It was an example. What do you think would happen? There's literally no evidence that Matt sold, and like everybody's like yelling about it all the time. Like, come on. It doesn't. It's irrelevant. Like, it doesn't matter what I do. It doesn't matter what Trey, Matt, anybody. It doesn't matter what anybody does. If you still believe in the play, like, you will stay in it. I was joking, Space Monkey, right? But then people are gonna. You shouldn't. Please don't joke about stuff like that, because then it just creates more drama. Like, people take things and run all the time. He sold when AMC at 77. Come on, who cares? Oh my God. How are we supposed to? Okay, we're done with this. We're done with this conversation. We're not doing this today. SPY 434.06. AMC trying to come back up here. Let's see. Matt's Duck Suspenders. Thank you so much for the super. I sold all 10,000 shares and kept one. There you go. Let's see. Let's see. Apple catching up. Well, yeah, SPY resistance over here. Same thing with everything. AMD at the 200, SPY at the 48. Where's Apple's? Apple? Yeah, rejecting a little bit here right as the SPY starts to come down. So SPY could get a little bit of a move into the end of the day. Let's see. Just show your ankles. That's funny. Putin talking it too? I don't know. All right, SPY moving down a little bit here. Where's it at? Still 434 flat. GME 121.39. Always learning, always saving, but it shouldn't though. It shouldn't. Why would it matter what I do or what anybody else? We are no different than anybody else. If somebody in the chat comes in and says that I sold, it's no different than if I said it. It's no different. We are here for ankles. All right. New subject. The ankle stuff is pretty dumb. Well, you must not have been here when the ankle stuff was created, because the reason why the ankles are created was because of dumb stuff. All right. SPY 434.10. STV sold his ankles. Yeah. You're here for forearms. Well, that's interesting. I sold the VIX's ankles. Let's see. Did I ever get my laptop working? I did. And I have to get a new one. I completely have to get a new one. Let's see. If you want to make money, buy ISPO, or if you want to potentially get nastily rug pulled. Let's see. Let's see. Go with a slow mover F or M contract. No, I'm out of settled cash. I'm just waiting for the SPY to break this 48. If it does, I see it run into 435. And if that happens, I will be out. All right. So 2 minutes left until 2. That's when things start to get a little bit wild. 2 p.m. margin calls. Let's see. Simon, that's exactly how you should think about it. Do I have any tattoos? No. USO heading down? I think I got out of the USOs. Oh, no, I still have those. Oh, I'm up 7% on SPY right now. Nice. I like that. I like that. Or maybe just a new battery. Nah, I need a new computer. That computer's like 9 years old. Margin calls starting in 1 minute. Uh-oh. Get ready. It's margin call time. All right. What are these contracts up? 7%. Not bad. Hit the like button, folks, says Justin. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. SPY capitulate. I don't know. If SPY comes back down and touches this 13, I'll be out. But I think that it's got a little bit left in the tank to come back up today. So let's see. Amy coming down a little. SPY flickering. Ooh, here she comes. All right, Apple flickering around over here. What's the significance of 2 p.m.? There isn't one. It's just when margin calls, if they're going to get sent out, that's when they do. But people like to think that margin calls, like in any sense of the market, just means AMC is going to explode. So I just say it as a joke. Like when people talk about margin calls 2 p.m., it's just like, no. SPY's getting ready to drop. Yeah, or it's getting ready to go absolutely nuclear. But you could be right. Maybe if you smack it a few more times, it'll work. Yeah, maybe. All right, here, folks. Let's see what we got going on. Oh, wait. Did I? Oh, no. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, dun, dun. All right. What do we got going on? AMC 150. I'm out. Sorry. Go for it. I mean, you got to go. You got to just get out when you want. Drop. You're calling for a drop. I don't know. I don't know. SPY above the 13 for this long looks good for a pot. That's what I think too. I think we could rally into close. I think it's very uh-oh, it's 2P1, 201. The margin calls just went out. Oh no. Oh no. The 2 p.m. margin calls are out. The SPY's starting to come out. Uh-oh, people. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right. Amy bouncing off this 25 and the 13 over here. SPY popping up a little bit. Probably go nuclear because I sold my calls and bought puts with whatever money I had left. I did the opposite. I sold my puts and bought calls. But it is coming up a little bit here. It is coming up. Ring, ring, ring. Postman. My rule is 2 green candles above. Yeah. All right. It's popping through the 48 over here. So let's see if it can go. These are up 11% right now. I think so. Here's honestly what I see happening. I think SPY can run up to the top of this range right here, this blue box, and then get nasty. It's just how quick is it going to be? All right, 21% on SPY calls now. Bing bong. Woo! Margin went straight to voicemail. Nah, they're getting ready to answer the call. We got absolutely bent today. Not on USO and SPY puts. Those were nasty. All right, SPY struggling to get above this level over here. Thoughts on what AMC floor after the squeeze? No idea. Does the 13 crossing the 25 work as the regular 1348? No, it shouldn't. I just have the 25 there to like, if you're really, really, really up on a play and it starts to move back up like this, if it hit the 25 and came back down, I use the 25 to say, hey, maybe it'll keep me in the play. That's how I use it. Bounce. Yeah, I'm thinking so too. It just needs to, what SPY needs to do is break above this 48 right here and get a closing candle above. It's trying to right now. AMC coming up a little bit, 1796. Apple trying to move. GME, 121.58. GME is only down 1.4% today. Amy down 5, though. That's pretty big. I beat up a dude on Oculus Day that looked just like, all right, well, that's mean. You think SPY will shoot up? I think it's possible. That's kind of why I have these calls going into close. What time is it? All right, you got 2 minutes left to try to get this closing candle above the 48. All right, I'll check my Twitter right now on this. What happened? What'd you send me? I don't see it. You didn't send me anything. Unless you sent it to the wrong me, and there's an imposter out there. Yeah, you didn't see, you didn't send it to me. TLT still looks to be climbing. Oh, damn it. Maybe they'll link up and just run. Nah, TLT's just kind of hanging out over here. Let's see. So TLT's got some room to fall to this 48. It's just been climbing all day. If it doesn't move like this, SPY will get up there. YOLO put here. Uh-oh. Yeah, short the VIX one. I don't think you said. How long ago did you send that to me? Let's see. Yeah. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Listen here, you little Ben Shapiro. Make Amy go now. I can't. VIX, it just Venmo'd you 200 Bitcoin. Did you receive them? No, but I wish I did. So are we technically considered shills to the people who buy calls when we buy puts and want the price to go down? Not really. Yeah, Trey's mustache. I saw that. Those new rules could be interesting. All right, let's see what these SPY calls are going to do. What are they going to do over here? They're up 8%. Oh, come on. I want to see it touch this, and then you guys can bank on your puts on the way down. How about that? Oh, it was in a comment? Yeah, can you DM it to me over? I get so many notifications that I can't see it. Banning spouses and members from specific trading, banning of derivative short sales or the use of margin, 1 year to sell impermissible assets. Yep, that's a good one. All right, TLT selling off here. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move to the upside, but let's see what I think. What do I have on this? 435. So I need a little bit of a move up here, like now. Remember SPY to 500 YOLOs? No. All right, SPY. All right, SPY. Clove trying to come up. Why are we talking about Clove again? Why is this circulating back up? What are you guys doing? All right, folks. Spy flickery. DM. Thank you. I don't even know what I'm looking at here, but let's take a look. Oh, it's a joke, I think. Holy shirts and pants. No way. That okay, is that a real charity? That's kind of spy down. Spy struck. Oop, but TLT's still down. So hold on. Prog popping. There you go. Sopa's running huge. That's Sopa. All right. Still got to follow the stop on the spy. So what do you who just said that? Who just said Sopa's running huge? Yeah. Society Pass Incorporated? Okay. Cool. You've been put in timeout. Qualcomm ripped to holy hell, like down, or it just skyrocketed. Qualcomm came up a little bit, but it's banging its head on the top of this 200 EMA over here. Like a BBIG in the 1 minute. Can you say manipulation? Oh, Biggie. Oh God, that's on the 5 minute. Oh God. What? What the hell did they do to this thing today? Holy shit. They just butchered BBIG today. Oh my God. They literally just said, hey, high frequency traders have an absolute fucking field day. All right. Still watching the spy over here. Let's see. That was violated. Yeah, that was dirty. But yeah, that is very, very, very barcodey. Jesus. TLT, what's going on here? He's going to be on the 1 minute too. Yeah, TLT hanging out up here. Sacrifice me before I start shilling. All right, man. There you go. You're out. Algos went insane. They just turned it on full throttle and we're like, have at it. Sends is the same way. Jesus. Yeah, that's crazy. All right. Spy trying to move here. It's struggling at this 48 EMA over here. Oil. Oil coming down. Corey, you're still on the SOS train? SOS limited. Oh. Arkfin. Ian, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot with the algos. Let's see here. Stop spamming. Yeah, it's selling off. No, thank you. Spy. Flickering like an you know what. TLT. Oops, that's not what I want. TLT. Say, you think those are bad? Look what they did to Mullen. Oh boy. Oh God. It looks bad on the 5 minute. No, that's not as bad as BBIG. That is not even close. BBIG's was so bad. It literally was the definition of barcoding. It was just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It was like, Jesus. Corey. Get out of here. Get out of here with that, Corey. You're going to go sit on the steps and think about what you've done. Amy 1790, spy flickering around over here. Let's see if we can get a nice little pop. Dude, yeah, Corey, you can't spam. I will time you out. Stop turning sideways. Ford, what's Ford doing right now? Ford just chilling. Spy. Hold your horses. Let's see. All right, Spy. Do something here, pal. Here it comes. Let's see if we can get above this 48 right here. If it's just going to barcode a little bit. Ford moving back up. Uh-oh, says Squirrel. Uh-oh. Let's see. Ford moving up. SCV, guess what? What's up, Short Crusher? How you doing? Spy bounce. It's trying. It's doing its best. Robots in the chat. Yeah, as always. As always, we got the bots coming in. What are these spy calls at? They come back to life a little. Spy calls down 0.5% right now. YOLO Ford calls into close. Go if you want to do it, you can do it. It's just a YOLO. You have to be fine with it tanking. Does 1348 work with shares? Yes. 100% it does. All right. Amy, 1790 over here. Come on, Spy. What are you doing? Just go on a little run up to here. It's not that hard. Just go. 1790 on Amy over here. Spy puts are great. I had a lot of fun with them today. Lots of fun with spy puts. Puts 2%. My calls are down 5. Uh-oh. Your premium's coming up. Yeah, but spy's coming up here. If it breaks this 48, you're done. If it breaks this 13, I'm done. That's what we're battling here. Yeah, spy puts are great. I had some great spy puts today. All right, my spy puts are back green. Come on, spy, just going a little flush. All right, you trying to get my you trying to get my puts or my calls to just go to 0 now, huh? I see how it is. Didn't have any money available today for puts. Sad day for mustaches everywhere. Yeah, we're just battling it out here in the chat, seeing who's right. I think spy has a nice little potential to go on a tiny little bounce into close. So we'll see what happens with it, but I think it can go. It just needs a closing candle above this 48 EMA. If it can do that, we're good to go. What's the 13 on the SPY right now? 433.64. Just trying to get my puts green into close. When are earnings? First or second week of March. We don't know the confirmed date yet, though. You think SPY will go to 438 today? That's ridiculous. I think SPY will bounce. I think SPY will bounce too. The 13 EMA on the SPY should be 433.65. That's how I see it right here. SPY flickering, man. Flickering. What's my long-term portfolio? Lots of AMD. Maybe this Russia crap. I'm hoping, man. Russian military action this weekend. UNG or Boyle. Maybe. You could do that if you want to play more oil. Oil had a rough week this week, coming off like a lot of green weeks in a row. I'm not a bot and you're not smoking crap. Yeah, that's 2 correct statements right there. SPY still above 434. Here we go. Puts on SPY. Run it. Do it. If you like it, then do it. I have calls. Let's just see what happens. They're trying to get people to buy puts, then boom, it jumps to 140. 140? What are you talking about? Need QQQ to pop just a little bit to get out from under the call and get green. Oh my God, there's something on your hand. Yeah, bro. I have messed up hand. I chopped a bunch of it off. All right, people. Yeah. Also, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on your way in just helps out a whole lot with the algorithms. Any guesses when AMC might squeeze? No idea. Nobody has any clue. I've heard March 3rd, but also there's no reason for that, really. Like, no real reason. It's just like, oh, yeah, March 3rd, they have to settle stuff. It's like, They also have to settle FTDs. Do they do that? No. Cup and handle on the whole mark. Where, though? Where? All right, where's SPY? Come on. June 2nd. You know what? I'd be down for a June 2nd skyrocket. Call's about to pay my new car. On what, though? On what? SPY. SPY. Flickering here. All right. I'm still gonna, they will delete. Exactly. They'll just delete their obligation. They'll just be like, oh, I have responsibility. Delete. Margin calls at 233. Oh, now we're picking random times. Vix made a bad trade and punished himself by cutting off his pinky. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what I did. I said, nope. Paper handed the SPY, cut off my ring finger on my right hand. That's what happened. June 2nd's your birthday? Oh, dude, you would have crushed it on the whole mod for a day challenge. Collecting premiums on out of the money covered calls on AMC. You're playing with fire. Corey, I swear to God, I'll bam you. I will ban you right here. If you don't stop, I'm timing you out again. If you come in here and do it again, I will ban you. Stop. Spy coming up here a little bit. Might get some YOLO LMT calls. Yeah. Spy does want it. Oh, there she is. There she is. 25% on the spy. Come on, get up to 435. Go. Run to this, and then you guys can have your, what do you call it? You guys can have your puts. I just want it to run all the way up there. Then you guys can have as many puts as you want. Come on. Okay, I need a closing candle though. So that we have to wait this out for like 4 minutes. Oh boy. Here we go. Dude, what happened to your hand? Okay, so basically what happened is I was trying to get wings out of the freezer. And there was a bottle of Tito's on top, and I opened it. Jeremy Piven, you are now getting a ban as well because of your spam. So what happened was I opened the fridge or the freezer, and then the bottle fell off, and then it hit the Tito's bottle like with a bunch of vodka in it, shattered on the thing, and I went to go catch it, and I just like sliced off a bunch of my finger. 24% on spy calls right now. Let's see. This could be a dirty play going into close. Oh, yeah, and I paper-handed spy calls, and it cut me. So let's see if spy can get up here. This is not bad right here. This is not too bad. My readings still suggest a reversal. Keep the calls. What are you, a psychic? My readings. All right, Amy little pop here. GME little pop. Ford, did AMD end up getting above that 200 EMA? Yeah, here comes AMD. We just need closing candles. Sacrifice? All right, who wants a sacrifice? The Tito's spilled? Yeah, but the Tito's went into my finger. Like, it was not fun. You're going to buy a put on Ukraine? SOS is up 17% today? Yeah, just stop spamming stuff. 2 minutes for closing candle? I know, close. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Come on. Calls in the money. Calls in the money. Yep, 30% on spy calls right now. There we go. All right, come on now. We need this closing candle, and if it Amy coming up, come on, get to that 18. Sacrifice me for a spy flush. I don't want a spy flush. I'm not sacrificing you. I want here. Let's just let everything run up today now. Let's go. Did you lick it up? There was glass. That's wild behavior. If the bottle broke on your hands, you do have diamond hands. See? Yeah, but then it literally, like, it looks like I haven't seen it yet. I'll see it after the stream. Flushed it. It's not. I don't see it. We need that 2 minutes till the closing candle. Let's see what happens. BBIG ripping. Hold on. Like a big one? Pretty big candle over here on Biggie. Let's see. Spy. USO going back up. Oh, there you go on USO. All right, 30% on spy calls right now. Come on. I'm not sacrificing you guys for a spy flush. I don't want it to flush. Still 30%-ish on the spy call. Oh, it's so close. It's so close to 435. Amy coming up a little here. All right, 1 minute till this closing candle. I want this next one to hit this little level right here, and then good to go. I'll be out, or I'll sell half. What are these at? 25%. Come on. Hey, spy. What the hell was that? All right, Biggie settling down here. Oh, spy looks like it wants to go. Spy bounce off VWAP. Where's VWAP? Where? Squirrel, what price is the VWAP at right now? All right, here we go, spy. New candle. New candle. Time to go. A firm moving up. A lot of things are trying here. So spy's trying to get a little bit of action right now. 435.14. Okay. Come on now. Come on now. Get above 435. Amy, 1797. TLT popping. Damn it. No, it's not. TLT, shut up. TLT, you need to stop. When market close, please. I don't know. Today's been a pretty good day overall. Spy puts, spy calls, USO calls. Yeah, it wants it. Just go effing green, SPY. If it goes green, I'll lose my mind. VWAP rejection into a head and shoulders to a new low of the day, 429.50. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. 40%. Here it comes. All right, what was it? 435.15 is what you guys were calling out. So, yeah, VWAP resistance right here. Yeah, there's 15. Screwing a whoa. Citadel eyes New York office expansion as it boosts hiring. That's kind of funny. All right, so SPY's flickering here. Amy trying to get a pop. Come on, SPY. USO. I'll throw USO. Oh, TLT just settled down. USO. What's going on with this? Yeah, USO trying here. 435.12 on the SPY. It's looking to break that 435.15. If it can't, that's gonna suck. Forward slowly coming back up. 435.11. That's VWAP. I don't know. I don't have it on my screen right now. I'm relying on you guys. Let's see here. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtered in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Trying to print into there it is. There it is. There it is. Jared, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Bought another 50 shares of AMC at 17.89. Might be our last opportunity to buy under 20. Just a gut feeling. Jared, thank you so much for that super, bud. I appreciate that. Oh, SPY back down. Let's see if it uses this 435 over here. All right, Jeremy, fuck off. You're banned. Resistance at 434.50. Well, it's at 435 something. Maybe you're saying they're expanding onto Rikers Island, not a hedge fund. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. You're calling it today. Today's the start of the MOAS. Well, let's get some SPY calls printing first. All right. 40. Let's see. What up, SCV? What's up, Just Chilling? How you doing? What's up with the spammers? I don't know, but they're annoying me today. 1 minute USO. Well, it's coming up. Oh, there goes the SPY. Yeah, there we go. I like this. SPY scared of VWAP. Well, it just broke it, didn't it? It needs a closing candle above it. $3 in the money. There you go. I mean, mine are 20 cents in the money. Long on Tito's. Tito's got me. All right, here comes SPY. Let's go. Apple Crossing on the 3 minute. Interesting. What news app do I use? I don't use a news app. I use Twitter accounts, and I just have their notifications on. USO coming up. SPY moving up here a little bit. Amy coming up a little bit too. Yeah, it just broke it. I think this could go a little bit. Yeah, SPY new highs. Watch it at this little level over here. These are only up 48%. Just one more big SPY volume candle. Yeah, I needed it. If it wants to really run, it needs to break out of this box. Yeah, here we go. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. This might get the closing candle out of the box. 58% on SPY calls right here. I don't know. Should I just take it? Let's see. AMC over 18, more in the money calls. Yeah, but it's still, it's coming up to the 48 right here. SPY peeking its head out of the range. Here she go. Yeah, here comes the SPY on the way up here. 60% on SPY calls. Jesus, I just went 60% on SPY puts, 60%. The SPY calls might just let it go. Take it so we can flush now. It doesn't look, if this candle closes, like I'll take these at 100% now. Holy SPY coming back to life. Jeez. You took mine, same strike. Yeah. Hold on. 71, 100. Yeah, these are up big. I'll sell one. How about that? What is this going to do? Oh, no. Hold on. No, I think this can get up to being 100% in the green, and then I'll sell it. I don't know. The moment. Hold on. Every time. Keep them SB, wait for the home run. Nah, I don't know. 66%. It's getting volatile, though. The volume's coming back in on the SPY. Like, Amy's coming up now, too. Like, 1806, looking good over here. Like, what's this? USO, doing good. GME, getting candles. 1348 cross. Like, things are looking like they want to come up into close. Everybody's saying take it, but then they're just going to, like, be like, oh, paper hands. And I'll be like, oh, shoot. You guys only want me to sell so that Your SPY puts can print. That's what I think is going on here. So Disca cross up 439 today. That would be dirty. Use VWAPs for support, then bounce. Yeah, but what's it at? I think it's going to use the top end of this range as support and then bounce. SPY new meme stock. SPY's the biggest meme stock. Take it, paper hands. See, you guys are just going to call me paper hands. 60% ain't trash. It's 65 right now. I don't know. Let's see what happens right at this level right here. If it comes back down into this box, I'll sell it all. Dude, take the money? No. Hold it. Take it. I hope you're right. I don't know. AMD calls printing. Time alone. Attaboy. 65%. Diamond hand it. Hold the 436. That's what I kind of want. Next candle. All right, cool. Well, we got 4 minutes left on this candle. I think it's just going to fight around here. Take the money and spend it at a strip club. No. The OREV. Aren't you like not? I feel like Tito's hands. All right, fair. All right, let's see. Amy, 1806. Let's see what happens with the SPY here. Watch it. I'll call it now. SPY boom boom candle in 40 seconds. If it does, I'm going to be thrilled. You should have sold put party. Why? It's a call party right now. I'm in this with you. All right, man. Make that green. Dude. I keep paper handing stuff. And like I feel like ending the week, just like diamond handing the shit out of everything. Like run it. Don't sell them. Recoup your paper handed DraftKings. Oh, that was not that bad. I already made it back on the USOs and the what do you call it? SPY puts. Amy, 1806, not moving a whole lot here. SPY flickery, man. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. Let's see what happens. Hold it to 436. I think so. You're up 60% on SPY calls. I'm up 70% on the SPY calls. It's USO coming down to touch the 13. Come on, SPY. 436. Diamond hand the VIX. Yeah, see, I need a new name over here. You guys are going to have to call me something else now. Whew. Also, everybody filtering in. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream, too. We're printing on a Friday. Printing on a Friday. They don't call it power hour for no reason. Well, we got, oh, look at this. Look at this. Come on, SPY. Get it. 436. Let's go. Make me some money. Come on, SPY. Go. Amy, your turn to go too. Let's go. Yep. 1809. SPY 436. Oh, I'm so close to being up 100% on these. I want to make it free. Oh, there it is. There it is. Wait, how much do I need on this? I don't know. 97. What's 97 times? Was it 194? All right, they're up 100% now. I'm gonna put it in a sell order right here and see if it hits. All right, I made it free. Guys, I made it free. I'm up 108% on my last final SPY call, and I'm riding it out until close. Riding it out. Oh, baby. 110% on SPY calls. Thank you very much. USO coming up. Amy starting to get a little candle here. 1810. SPY's doing good. Oh, baby. SPY on drugs. Dude, SPY on the way down. SPY on the way up. Perfect. AMD rocket. There you go. USO coming up. SPY's looking. Okay, SPY's about to get a 1348 cross. It's going up to the 200 EMA. Well, this is the EMA right here. That is dirty, bro. Why am I still red on my 6450 USO? Theta. SPY is drunk? Yeah. Keep being drunk, SPY. Keep going. As long as SPY moves, I don't care which direction. Fair. IWM 1348 cross. USO 6469. There you go. Wait. Yeah. USO's coming up. Man, these SPYs are good. Market's def drunk. All right. Let's see what happens here. I mean, these are up, what, 105? There we go. That was such a dirty SPY trade. AMD made my week. There you go. What the fuck is data? Time decay. So as you get further into the day, there's going to be decay on your options from time because there's less time. The odds of it going in the money are lower. Woo! Jeez, this is exhilarating today. AMC isn't getting any volume. It's coming up here. 1814. Let's see what happens with SPY around these levels over here. Theta is my sister. Interesting. All right, people. Guys, make sure you hit that like button too. We're printing over here. If you've taken the SPY puts, the USO calls, the SPY calls, what else did we have today? Oh my God. SPY 3 cents off that more recent high. Jesus, man. 110%. My God. Here we go, everybody. Woo. All right, people. Man, SCV going brr. Yeah, man. Today has been a killer day. Oh, man. 120%, 123% on SPY calls right now. Thank you. SPY 440, do it. I can't now, but AMD 80 million in volume. Yeah, SPY coming up here pretty big time. Jesus. Can we start the margin calls? Just admit I'm right on what, peasant killer? All right, where's AMD? You guys have been calling AMD. It got that cross above the 200. Is it going on a moon mission? Oh, SPY new highs. Jesus. Come on, Jimmy. Oh, Jimmy, 1348 cross, trying to get above the 200 right here. Amy's kind of trying to approach it over here. Let's see what happens. 138% on the SPY call. I'm up 140, 140%. Biden signs stopgap funding bill into law. SPY rip. AMD call up 80%. Yeah, dude, these SPY calls are nasty. When did we get those? Here? Just wrote it up. Can we smell your hair? No, but it smells really good. 18 on Amy. Woo! Imagine Amy gets up to 19. Still holding puts. Why? Why? Nothing is saying hold puts right now. Maybe buy put GME green. Yep, GME just went back into the green. Let's see if you got 3 minutes left on this candle. Let's see if it can get up there. 143% on SPY calls. Ford YOLO up 10%. I feel left out. 68% on calls. STV Squirrel. There you go. Lulu above the 200. Take a risk. Keith, I can't buy anything that expires today anymore. It's past 2. You made 250% on AMD calls. Jesus. Yeah, watch SPY at this 200 EMA. If it breaks this, new freaking highs, 150%. There we go. Hit that like button, says Peter Lee. Appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, I mean, we're absolutely printing over here. 164%. Bing bong. Thank you. AMC coming up a little. AMD trying to make a move. GME still above here. Oh my God, this is nasty. GGPI new day high. Textbook double bottom. Was there a 1348 on it? I think there was. Yeah, right here. 1216, 1238. That's big. Facebook running. Everything's running. 145% on the SPY call. Dude, imagine if this goes to 437. Like, well, the 200's at 430. Oh, it already did go to 437. Okay. Silly me. Sell the calls. SD, are you trying to give me financial advice? Did they cancel the war? I don't think so. Why can't you buy anything expires today? It's past 2 o'clock. So I can buy stuff that expires today. Like the SPY calls that I have expired today, but I bought them past 2. What made you get that call if there was no 1348 cross? Just a reversion. Paper hand it? No. You could have so technically, like following the rules, I wouldn't have been above. Like there are some days where it's like, oh, GGPI ripping. There are some days where like I'll trade most of the time. I'm trading 1348 all day, every day. But like on days like this, when like momentum and there's like other things going on, I'll just use like the way I would trade normally, like news and like where the momentum's headed. Like MACD cross right here. I mean, we got it like right here, and then it just whoop right up. So I shouldn't buy same day contracts since it's bad. No. You can't. It's not allowed. Like I can't do it. They will say, nope, you're not allowed to do this. Top of the channel on the 15-30 minute. It all started with that Ford call. True. Today was wild. Ford calls, Ford puts, SPY calls, USO calls. All right. These SPYs are still up over 120%. You can on TDA? Well, I don't have TDA. Amy going nowhere fat. Well, SPY just kind of chilled out here. Maybe I'll take this. Oh, I did. I bought SPY calls before 2 p.m. That's what I did. Yeah. Guys, make sure you hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out with the algorithm. YouTube's been hurting us. How many people we got in here? 2,000. How many likes? 670. Bad. Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. When you say you are buying dailies, are you doing contracts that have the same day expiration? Yes. Called TD Ameritrade and they acted like I was crazy when asked about contracts that expire the same day. Yeah, but like I like to gamble, and if you play it right, you're gonna be doing great. Keith, thank you so much for that super. I don't know why it should let you on TD. Maybe you need something else. Like you need like a different like approval level in order for them to let you do it. SPY coming down a little bit here. All right. Do we get out of this call? It's at yesterday's low. All right. What are we going to do? They're up 107% here. I like to gamble. Exactly. Educated gambling. I do it all the time on TD. Yeah, on TD, you could buy contracts at like 340 and then ride it up in the last couple of minutes. All right, let's see. All right, I think I might get out of this SPY call. How much time's left? Well, all right, I'll wait for this next candle and see what happens. So this next candle here, it's got 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Let's see what happens with this. SPY testing the 13 on the 1 minute on the downside. Oops, that's AMC. Yeah, so SPY's just testing this 13 right here. Let's see what happens. This is the DOJ investigating Citadel. Yep. That'll be the I'll probably talk about that in the video tomorrow. I'm like really aggressively tired today, and I have to write like 2 essays tonight. So no video today. I'm gonna try to get my schoolwork done so I can like go to bed. And then I'll have a video out for you guys tomorrow. All right. So SPY just broke this let's see what happens here. Lucid coming for you. Where's Lucid? All right. SPY selling off here. I still want to see this next candle. I just want to see where this next candle goes. Sacrifice yourself, Rivian. Are the EVs starting to turn back to the upside? Lucid. Lucid trying here. All right, 2 minutes till this candle. I thought you were 35. Dude, I'm 22. Okay, hold on. These are still up 97%. I'll give it 2 minutes. See what happens. AMD calls 250%, then SPY calls 150%. Have 150%. Thank you, dude. Thank you for coming in here. There you go. You're crushing it, dude. You're absolutely freaking crushing it. I love to see it. All right. Still 2 minutes left on this candle. They're up 99% right now. I don't know why. I mean, the bid ask might be flickering around. Deuces got his light. Later. Amy, 1804. Lucid coming back. All right. How's that? That's a 1 minute candle. That's why. All right. One more. Yeah. All right. SCV is my indicator. Yeah. And your indicator is paper handing right now. Out. Oh, they got me. They got me good. Oh, they're getting me right now. I gotta ditch it. Ditch it. All right, I sold it. I sold the last one. There we go. I'm out of the SPY trade. Woo! That was crazy. Yeah, I'm out. So I sold it. There you go, everybody. Wow, that was wild. Oh, wait, what else? Do I have to sell anything else? Oh, yeah, I should probably sell these. Get these off my screen. And then what else? Is there anything else with any value that I can get back? No. So, wow. Really, really solid day today, people. Damn. All right. Amy, 1802 over here. Let's see what happens with the SPY. That's that next 5 minute candle. Let's see what happens with it. If you're holding them, good luck. We'll see. Good job. Good job to you guys. You guys did good. Indicator said sell. Yeah, your indicator said sell. All right, people. Let's see. Yeah, SPY back down into the range over here. Rode the calls up. Took my over 100% gains and freaking left. Fast runs can't hold. That's your paper hands. Dude, every time. So I should just say I'm making everything free, and then you're going to be like, nah, you're not paper handing. You're still holding. Good luck. Good job. Now SPY can run since VIX paper handed. No, now everybody's puts can print. Now that I'm done with it, you guys can step in. What a paper hander. Oh, yeah. Paper handed at over 100%. All right. Let's do a quick AMC Ortex update over here. We got 100% utilization, 1.47% average cost to borrow, 21.11%. Also, guys, if you do want to learn the trading strategy that we're using, make sure you check out the link to the free part of the Discord in the top. And then once you're ready, hop into the premium, just because I want you guys to learn the strategy first. Very solid strategy. We used it on USO today and hit like that 200% play. The spies were a little bit different, just had to do with Russia and stuff, but the very powerful strategy, and definitely learn it. Doesn't hurt you to join the part of the free part of the Discord either. And the strategy's out there for free. Took profit on the call at 40%, switched to puts. They're at 10%. Yeah, I say play the puts down to the 13 at 434.70. That's where I would look at it. So, I mean, I was looking to play the spy up to here, and then it just, boom, moon mission. Error puts at 22%. There you go, buddy. Power hour could be lit. Yeah, power hour could get crazy over here, everybody. So, what software do you use for strat? I mean, I just use Webull. You can see it right here. 13 EMA, 48 EMA, 200 EMA. Very simple. Very simple. Mozart died before that age, and look what he left behind. Are you calling me Mozart? I don't think I compare to Mozart, dude. I think I'm a solid couple of rungs below Mozart. What broker do you actually send your trades in? For options, Webull. Spy little pop here. Lucid. Why do we even have Lucid over here? BBIG, somebody was asking about a little earlier. Yeah, coming up, little cross here. Let me see. Oh, I think I have like a fever. This is not good. I think I'm getting sick, people. I think I'm getting sick again. This is not good. I'm feeling it. This is not good. I think I'm getting sick. Mozart died out of the money? Oh, God. Let's see. From 1 to 7, how you rate this simulation we're living in today? Fun time. All right, people, here we go. Okay. How do you short a stock if it has no option? You don't. You don't buying options is not shorting. It's hedging. Nah, see, I already had the C word a couple of weeks ago. Today was quite the ride. Big Dave, I know you were out here crushing it. Oh yeah, I think I got it. I think I'm feeling it right now. I was feeling it a little earlier this morning. Struggling over here, people. Oh, you know what it also could be? Maybe I have a finger infection. That would be gnarly. Oh man, what if I have a finger infection? Oh shoot. You can catch it? No, it was like 2 weeks ago, dude. 3 weeks. I think so. I don't know for sure. Drink lots. Dude, what if it's my finger? Yeah, it could be my finger. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Does my finger hurt? No, it's completely fine. Does it feel hot or warm? No, he's dead. I'm not dead. I'm not. No. Vodka clean the cut? That's what I thought too. I just feel randomly sweaty. This is weird. No, it doesn't feel hot. Why are we down 14 cents? Dude, we're down. We're at 17.99. Amy or Spy coming down a little bit here. Don't give us your finger infection. Uh-oh. Just cut it off to make sure. Yeah. STV dead cat bounce. It's staph. Sepsis the fix. Let's see. Take off the wrap. Should I do it right now? Should I do it right now? I think I should go to the doctor. Oh boy. Take a Benadryl. Def puts on STV's finger. Yeah. Don't stick it in cider. That's what made it infected. All right. Stop. Are you cleaning it? Okay. So here's what happened. I had Neosporin on it for like a night. And then the doctor was just like, he literally just said, keep this on for like 3 days. And now it's 3 days. So now I got to take it off and do something to it. Cut it off at the elbow. Just chop my whole body off. Or I should just die. No, I'm eating. All right. We're not going to do that. Let's see. I changed the bandage yesterday, but it's like a Band-Aid and a medical packing peanut. That's where we're at right now. And he was just like, "Leave it on." And he was like, "Don't take it off." And I was like, "Okay, I won't take it off." Pee on it? No. Hit that like button if you want STV to feel better? No. Oh, unwrap the finger? We close about that. No. Yeah, I'm gonna do it right after. Bing bong, your finger's gone. Yep. Well, we're struggling over here, people. Spy popping back up a little bit. BBIG coming back up. This is why the sudden rally in the Spy. I don't know. It just kind of started to go. Put it in mayonnaise. No point in going on now. What? Short the finger. Yeah. All right, people. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a little bit with the algos. Let's see what we got going on over here. Infected because of paper hands. Yeah. Am I unable to day trade in Fidelity? No, you should be able to day trade in Fidelity. It's just going to be a little wonky with bid ask. You're not going to be as nimble in Fidelity. Unless it's like unless they have a platform where it's like specifically meant for trading. Oh, Amy, $18. Best get that checked out again. Nah, I'll be fine. I'll take a look at it. If it looks gnarly, I'll go to the person. I still haven't seen it. AMD gonna make a new move. AMD. I mean, it's making a move down right now. They released a beta for options on Fidelity. I thought you could buy options on Fidelity. Will your funeral be live streamed? Oh, Active Trader Pro. Yeah, I thought that was just for okay, so that makes sense. Active Trader Pro makes a lot of sense. Let's see. Buy the dip. Oh, called options trader. Interesting. Death by one cut. Yeah, I guess so, man. We're struggling over here. We are struggling. So let's see here, everybody. Alrighty. Have you paid taxes on trading? Maybe. Maybe not. Everything's trying to come back up here a little bit. I was scared. I need to do my taxes. Let's see. Shivering, cold, and clammy equals high temp due to infection. Get antibiotics. God damn it. That's not something I want to be dealing with right now. 9 out of 10 fingers don't have damage. That's true. Cut out the finger. Make sure the other ones watch. So they learn their lesson. YOLO one for Vix. Rip. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I did go to class yesterday, though, so maybe these dirty college kids got me sick. I don't know. Spy down into the range over here. SCV is the catalyst. TLT did not hold up. No. Where is it right now? Baby shark. Doo doo. All right. TLT coming down to the 48. That's kind of what I thought it was going to do. Yes, you have a cough, too. That's the other thing. I feel like I'm just sick. I feel like the doctor would have been like, you should probably clean it. He never did anything. Didn't help me out a whole lot. I work at a college. I agree with you. Puts it 30%. Yeah, see, that's where I wanted to see it play to, the 13. 20% max loss. That's the stop loss. The stop loss is 2 fingers. All right. Rona? No, I've already had it like a couple times. 1 hour to ankles. If we close above 20, Spy coming back down. Fidelity Active Trader Pro is great for options. Interesting. What do we got for news over? Oops. What the heck is that? DraftKings CEO blames market rotation for stock tumble. Oh, he's like, screw you, stock market. Oh, that is dirty. That is funny. I could have pneumonia. Why would I have pneumonia, dude? Floppy finger. Yeah. All right. Spy just flickering around this 13 over here. Took my son to trampoline park birthday party, the plastic ball pit. Oh, yeah. That definitely got you. That definitely got you over there. All right, folks. After effect. Yeah, but it was long enough ago where like I wouldn't have the after effect. And when I like did think I had it, I like wasn't. Spy popping up off the 13 here. Squirrel slash avocado. I was gonna look to play that just down right to that 13. I also have had, here's the other thing. I've also had a really stupidly high amount of caffeine today. That's the other thing. To try to like, because I've been tired recently. I also think I'm just overtired. I was feeling it last week too. Mono? Nah, I already had that one. Mix was in the plastic ball pit. I thought that was you. Let's see here, people. All right, Spy just hanging around this 13 right here. Amy coming down to the 25. Let's check the Ortex really quickly. 2.71 million borrowed shares, 1.69 net borrow, 21.11% estimated short interest. Alrighty, let's see here. USO, is it going? Is it going for you? It's trying to come up here a little bit. Those 65s would have been good. Should have put salt in the wound. Oh, sorry. I didn't have salt. I just had vodka. All right. AMC 1792. Spy coming back up here. Let's see what it does at this little spot here. This little upper end of the box. Yeah, retesting VWAP now. You got to rest more. Dude, I don't have time. I don't have time ever. Amy down to the 25. GME 122.45. Another day of crime. Tetanus shot? I don't know. Buy Boyle before the weekend. Dude, oil has been like settling down pretty hard. Like, look, Boyle's down 3.75%. Like, look at it on the month, like on a monthly. It ripped and then just came down. Let's see. All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps out. Ukraine news live. Germany afraid of Russian false flags. Jeep blows up. That's a second one, isn't it? Because I don't think it was a Jeep before. All right, let's see. Spy flicker in here. If I had vodka, none of it would make it to my finger. Let's see. Hold on. Let's check something. Spy to under 400 next week. That would be dirty. Oil needs mean reversion back to the date. What would that be at though? Where would that be? Ortex on DraftKings? Guys, not everything's a short squeeze. Just careful. Don't go chasing short squeezes. 12.5% estimated short interest, 46% utilization, 0.99% average cost to borrow. Let's see. Apish. Here we go, everybody. Let's see. Facebook about to squeeze. Oh, here comes a spy pop. Amy, little move up here. Let's see if we can get back above 18. That'd be pretty sweet. Don't go chasing waterfalls. See, I never understood that. Why would you chase a waterfall? Spy back up here. Like, what is there to chase about a waterfall? Like, don't fall off the edge. Don't run into the... What does it mean? What does that even mean? What's happening to our play today? Nothing. Just following the market on the way down. It's just a lot of volatility today. A lot of shares going out on loan that they can use against it. Same thing as usual that we see with it. I forget, but way overextended. Yeah, I think so. White House Deputy Secretary Advisor Singh says converging on final sanctions package. Interesting. Yes, Michael. And then you probably wouldn't even be able to cash out on those puts. We'd have bigger problems. Oh, wow. Wow on SPY. Damn. Yeah. So remember what I said earlier? If you had those puts, play it down to the 13 and then watch it. Whoop. Don't go chasing urine. Okay. Well, that's a weird one. Some high dude probably ran into a waterfall. But like, even then, what would happen to you? Like, it can't be that bad. Like, what is the bad part about chasing a water? Like, are you falling off? I don't get it. Somebody explain this to me. I did really good in the market till I started chasing squeeze plays, Cloven ATER. Yeah. If you chase waterfalls, you'll eventually find one in the end. Yeah. What does it even mean? Oh, here comes SPY up to the 200. Those calls would be at this level worth less than when I sold them, most likely. I think it's bullish AF that DraftKings CEO blamed the market rotation on stock performance. I don't know about that. It sounds like he's just complaining a little bit, doesn't it? He's just like, my stock down, stock market bad. Like, that's literally kind of what he just said. The phrase, don't go chasing waterfalls, refers to a self-destructive and unsafe behavior, encouraging people to stick to the rivers and lakes that you're used to. Interesting. That's a weird one. Don't go chasing ISPO. That should be the new one. Don't go chasing stocks that are up 500%. At the end of waterfalls, you'll find Ape Father. Interesting. What song? Songs about. All right. SPY coming back up here. Let's see if it tests that 200. Amy, 1799. SV's finger got a death cross on the 5-minute. Dude, I think it got it on like the 4-hour. Don't go chasing Russian tanks. Don't go chasing Chinese tanks. Let's see. Not a hedge fund. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. No one knows what it means, but it's provocative. It gets the people going. I guess so. SC too young to know the song. I'm too young to know a lot of songs. 1798 on AMC. But why do we even have Boyle over here? TLT. What's up with you? My TLT Strangle still looking good. All right. If R. Kelly, okay, we're not talking about R. Kelly. SPY flickering. Did you just say expert Eric Williams availability is sure on WhatsApp? Hey, Tracy, fuck you. You piece of absolute shit trying to spam people. That's what I have to say about that. Fuck you, Tracy. Trying to get this bullshit WhatsApp spammer in here. Get out of here with that nonsense. I only timed you out. That's a ban. Puts on Tracy. All right. SPY coming down, trying to steal people's money. Get out of here with that. Somebody's telling me to YOLO a SPY. Tell us how you really feel. Dude, you're gonna come into my chat and try to get people to sign up to WhatsApp and then steal people's money. How was that not warranted? Don't go. Yeah. She seemed nice though. No. Go chase a waterfall, Tracy. Yeah. Hi guys, I'm a spam. Here's my email. I will make your portfolio from 1K to 1 million. All right. I think that's a joke. Don't let these idiots get you demonetized. Let's check. Let's see how it's going. I just said the F word like one time. Is she? I don't know. Let's see. SPY coming up here. She chased the waterfall. Yeah, she's chasing. Tracy's probably some dude. Yeah, exactly. All right, people. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. That fever made it new violent. All right. Russia may take further cyber attacks as escalation. Bro, Russia's just like, we're not going to invade, but we're going to infect your computers with a bunch of viruses. All right. That may not have been funny. Yuso could run into close. Yeah. I thought Tracy was nice. To be fair, you didn't let her finish your pitch. All right. No. Why are we going to? There's nothing I can do about these WhatsApp scammers. All right, clap. Stop it. Tracy made me rich. Tracy made you a lot less rich. Oh yeah, Trace mustache. There you go. It's called psyops. Her sales pitch was too long. Yeah. Nope. Get out of here. Not a good pitch. She didn't even put the WhatsApp number. Like there was no number. Let's see here. All righty. What do we got going on here, folks? Let's see. Grandpa Barney, thank you so much for the user, the super F you, Tracy. Tear it up, Jack. Thank you, Grandpa Barney. You think she's on OnlyFans? All right. Relax. Let's see. Whatever pitch was just a catalyst for Boaz and you just ruined it. It wasn't. It was to steal all of your money. SPY coming up to the 200 right here. Looking like it wants to get to 437. Dang. You so priming for next week. Yeah, but like, it's looking good over here. SPY green? Did it really? Oh, SPY is so... Oh, it did just flicker into the green. Damn, SPY. If SPY gets a closing... Yeah, AMD second pop. AMC 1802. Get Tracy back in here. We can sacrifice him every 5 minutes for ankles. I already banned it. I feel like I can unban it. Tell him that I referred you. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm reading the messages right now. Tell him that I referred you on WhatsApp. And there's no number ever. There was no number. Tracy, you screwed it up. All right. Power Hour 301. Here we go, people. Make sure you guys are engaging with the stream. Let's get this out to some more people. We're having fun. Tracy's out here trying to get people to message her on WhatsApp. Let me in. Oh, there he is. Sorry.
What's up?
Nothing. I think I'm getting sick.
Oh, oh man.
And then we had a WhatsApp scammer come into the chat and I just busted him up.
Was it STV 1564328 bot?
No, it was just Tracy.
Tracy. Who's Tracy?
I don't know. Tracy got the ban hammer quick.
Tracy can be he or she or they or whatever, I guess. It's one of those names, right?
That's true. Dude, I sold the SPY puts and got SPY calls like here.
Ooh.
It was disgusting.
Ooh, yeah, the market is looking very interesting right now. I'm just watching things like this is the funniest freaking thing where we can call what's gonna happen. I'm waiting for the drop.
Oh, here it comes. Oh, I kind of wish I kept those calls now. It's fine. I don't have them anymore.
It just ran through the 200 MA. If it gets rejected, I can see this thing coming back down heavy.
Yeah, it did. I think because after this, there was like a put play right down to this 13 that Avocado had. And I was like, watch it. It could just bounce right off of it.
Oh, man. Oh, is Avocado in the chat? Shout out to Avocado.
Yeah, Avocado's in here. Avocado's under the name of Squirrel.
If you guys don't follow Squirrel, go check out, well, what's his Twitter account name?
I think it's Avocado. I think it's TMI's Avocado on Twitter.
Okay, go check out his Twitter account. Top notch.
Grandpa Barney says Tracy is a dude. Maybe Tracy was TMI.
No, dude. Remember, I'm Mandy. I'm Mandy.
Oh, I forgot. You are Mandy.
Where is Mandy, by the way?
I haven't seen Mandy in forever. Mandy's came in like 1 or 2 times over like the past this year. AMD coming back to life a little.
SPY is green. Yeah, no, SPY is no, it's not.
It's just
close though.
Came back down into the red.
Yeah, that's a little bit of rejection after 200. Just be careful.
Is Avocado stuck in Mexico? No, I think they let that go. I think they opened it up. I think they opened up the flow of avocados.
Shonda. Yeah, have you seen Shonda in here?
No. Who's Shonda?
Shonda's this girl that popped in. And oh, wow. Shonda's girl that popped in and she started calling the times for when things would start popping and running. And she didn't miss. She popped in a few times and she just hit every time. And then she just disappeared. She never came back.
We have one of those. MBC. He's been calling out some good stuff too. Dustin Tracy was rejected by VIX in their Squirrel 101 class they have together and is bitter. All right. Thanks for that, super Dustin. I don't know. It was just random. It was just like I've had so many spammers today.
Free Avo. Oh man. Yeah, what a crazy Friday. It's a Friday before the long weekend. I'm expecting to buy SPY puts now. SPY puts now for the rest of the day. See what happens. See if the market doesn't drop from underneath its feet.
Yeah, I blew the last time I settled cash on those SPY calls. So, I actually do have a little bit of money I could use for fun. Nah. I'll be done for the day.
See, I remember Shonda. See, Ken Grip remembers Shonda.
I don't think I've ever had the pleasure of Shonda in the chat.
Shonda's crystal ball. Yeah, I don't know. She's a gem. She's a gem. What do you think about Trey's chicken suit?
Trey has a chicken suit.
He always talks about chicken tendies. He's been talking about chicken tendies for a long period of time. I feel like, you know, he's probably been holding on to a chicken suit for a long period. Like I have an avocado suit.
You do?
Yeah.
I need to get a squirrel suit.
You act like you don't have a squirrel suit. I've seen you in the squirrel suit. Guy's got a tail and everything. Don't let him fool you.
I'll just run around. It's my furry alter ego.
Whoa, didn't know you're into that. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Ankles and furries. Hey, listen, there's a lady out there that wants to know how to work their way in there. Furries and
Yeah, I
ankles.
wouldn't do that because that's fake, but you can always give it a try.
You like fake ankles?
Synthetic ankles? I would say yes.
Ankles. Synthetic ankles. Got you. What do you think of Trace Johnson?
Dwayne?
Yeah, see, that's a trick question because she could have meant either one, right?
Yeah. Don't be talking furries on a trading channel. You know what? Sometimes we get off topic. That's just what happens over here.
He was talking about investing in Beanie Babies. It's completely different.
People get angry at me. They're like, why are you talking about the spy? And it's like, all right, we'll just talk about furries. Stop talking about furries.
That did kind of go, whoa. You know what? Yeah, maybe you should stop it because that's going to be the next one. It's going to be ankles, snowmen, squirrels, and furries. It's going to be really crazy.
Yeah, we can't have that. Trevor, what are your thoughts on a put on tulips? Is that real? Is there like an actual tulip stock? Or are you talking about like the tulip mania run? The first big short squeeze. I'm not sure. TMI, is there like a real tulip thing?
I think that's wow. I don't know if people are trying to set you up, but that could be like Matt's thing. And then people are saying if he's short tulips and he's long on tulips, you guys would have like,
oh, we'd have beef.
You guys would have tulip beef.
Oh,
I don't know if someone's trying to set you up. It's possible. It's very possible.
Are you trying to
synthetic beef? They're trying to make some vegetarian beef.
Oh boy, some impossible beef.
I'm long on synthetic beef.
Oh, it's Matt's thing. I didn't know that. Tima, you nailed it. There you go.
This is hold on a second. Tulip is whoa. Hey, hold up now.
Beyond
Short
beef.
The orange market. That's Trading Places. That's the movie. The equities movie.
Which one?
Trading Places. With
it's about
Eddie,
stocks?
Yeah, but with Eddie Murphy. And it's about equities, about oranges.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a movie before our time. But it's about a man who they said that these old guys basically said, you know what, I can make anybody into a good trader per se. So they take this guy who gets in trouble, which is Eddie Murphy, and they give him like this wonderful life to see if he can actually like make something of himself. And then he does it. And then in the end, he realizes that they're just trying to screw him. Well, I don't want to ruin it for you. You should watch it.
I think I have seen that movie.
There you go.
There's that one. And then there's where the one where it's like, is it called Coming to America or something? Where isn't it Eddie Murphy and he's the prince?
Yes.
Yeah, those two.
Yes.
I got it.
2 gold stars. 2 gold stars.
There we go. I don't know.
Someone said tulips is real. I would probably say there probably is some sort of tulip something around there. Tulip shortage or courting the market for tulips or something around there. So I would imagine it's real.
Yeah, I don't see anything when I type it into Webull, but it could be there could be a futures market for it. There could be.
It's time for beef jerky. See, I see what you did there. Well played. Well played. Hey, look. Hey, SPY bounced off that 200 MA. It's coming back down, baby. SPY is the easiest meme stock to play. It is the easiest freaking meme stock to play.
Dude, I literally today I was just like, oh, SPY puts, sold them like here. And then I was like, wait a second. I kind of want some calls. I think it's going to come up. And then it just goes boom. I was like, okay, well, this is too much for today.
That's it. We'll see what happens here. I'm watching some of these random runners. SKYH today was running. Did you see that?
No, what's that?
It's stock that, yeah, it's up 50% right now. I think it went up to who knows how many percent. Let me see.
Yellowstone.
SKYH.
Yeah, we're up 58% right now. Amy 18 flat. SPY bouncing back up.
Is this on the 1 hour? Yeah, let's just take a look to see what ran up to today. Finished. It ran 123% today.
That's dirty.
Yeah. It's the first time that I entered a short in a long time.
Really? How'd it go?
Well, it's now at 50%. So very successful.
Ooh, there you
Very
go.
successful. Well, we're just gonna see. I don't know. I don't know how long I'm gonna hold it for, actually.
You could just cover it.
Well, I didn't enter like a huge amount. I just kind of want to see what this end would be like.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a long period of time, but this is interesting. It's interesting. Get a practice.
Yeah.
85 minutes on the cross. Oh, A and Y. Let's see here.
Let's see. I'll check BBIG. Oh, I got like 2 essays to write too, and I just want to nap. It's gonna be great. So much fun.
Oh man, the good old days. The good old days.
Yeah. SPY weakness is 1G to AMC MOAS. Maybe. It's just flickering around here. I mean, how much time? We got a decent amount of time left. Oh, I can't buy anything that expires today. That's no fun. We are coasting into close. I think that's possible. I think that's very possible. USO calls going into next week. Good or bad idea? If oil rebounds, then you're going to crush it. Just pay someone on Fiverr to write them? No, one of them's not that hard. It's pretty easy. I don't know what the other one's going to be like. It probably won't take that long.
Fiverr is pretty sick. I'm not going to lie.
I've used Fiverr a few times.
For essays?
No.
Oh, I was about to say that'd be kind of gangster.
Yeah, I know. I use a lot of Chegg. Some of my finance classes were in accounting were all Chegg.
Check. Oh, yeah, but the market's closed. That's fine. It said person speaks at 4. I'm like, all right, cool. But as long as it's after the market, as long as it's not right before the market or in the middle of the day, do what you. Oh, but right before a long weekend,
he might do something. We could do SPY Strangles for Monday.
Maybe that's the play.
I was thinking about that. I was like, what are the odds of profit on SPY Strangles like going into every single like expiration day? Like Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
In this type of market, I would imagine it's probably profitable.
It's probably really good.
Like last year, just calls would have got you 65 to 70% time. 65 to 70% of the time would have been green.
Yeah,
very easy for last year. This year is probably less profitable than last year's calls, but you're still probably like 55 to 60%, just because it's so up and down.
They're actually not bad, dude. The 440s are 180. The at the monies are 418. Like if it runs in the money, we have a $5 day on the SPY. Like,
there you go.
That's not terrible. Course Hero's a true helper. Course Hero's not bad either. Scary Biden talk today. Not liking it. Going to a 3-day weekend. A lot of time for fear and war. Oil maybe. Oil's coming back. BBIG trying. SPY not having a whole lot of fun over here. Strangles on SPY win 80% of the time. Yeah, but you need one side to go up over 100%.
Yeah, I was to say it has to cover for the loss of the other option.
Yeah,
you'll win on one side, but it has to be enough to make it.
You can weight it, but you gotta like really be careful with them because they have to go. Like it just has to move. It honestly would probably be better if you just did condors. If you just did it every single expiration date, just do condors on it.
Are you picking? If I'm getting in and out of the same day, then I'll pick weekly. If I am going to swing trade something, I'll probably pick a monthly. That's just like a rough estimate. For different things. It takes different span of time. But like, if I intend on getting out in the next like hour, then I'll just do weekly because if those calls or puts move into the money, then that shifting into the money will have such a huge price increase because of the limited time. It's better profit margin. Yeah. If you do monthlies, it's a little more difficult to kind of make a quick buck, right? But better for swing trades because it allows it for if it goes red, you don't see a huge hit.
Right. You can kind of hold them. Weeklies, if it doesn't go in your favor right away, you're fucked.
Yeah. Get in, get the fuck out. This year so far, the longest trade that I've held has been 45 minutes.
Really? I've held a
Outside
couple
of
weekly ones, just like hold
outside of
hold
the
stuff until they expire.
outside of leaps and earnings.
Yeah, earnings is usually
Yeah.
I'll just hold them.
Like I want to say earnings, it's probably been like an hour if you think like one market day to another market day, but I'm counting actual hours too. So
Right.
it is what it is.
Let's see. White House issued warning to Russia of retaliation of any U.S. companies or infrastructure targeted in Ukraine. Yeah. Do you see what Russia also said? They were just like, oh, we're going to retaliate with cyber attacks. And I was just like, what? They're like, nah, we're not going to attack you. We're just going to infect all your computers with viruses. It's like, come on, dude. What are we doing here? Like, yeah, that's the best outcome for everybody in terms of like people not dying. But like, come on, just stop. Just cut it.
I need to stop letting contracts die. Yeah, look at it this way. If your contracts run 30% in the red, chances are they will never finish profitable. Once they get to 30% down, the chances swing against your favor.
Right.
So comfortably cut any options that are down 30%, knowing that cutting the option was actually in your favor to do so.
Am I still in USO? No, Tyler. I sold the good ones. So I sold the half of them, made it free when those were over 100%, and then they went up 200%. And I was like, oh, cool. Then I sold the rest of it. I don't know, probably down in this area, but now it's coming back up. So if you held them, you're doing pretty good. It's 20 cents off the high. Oil is coming back to life a little bit over here. But yeah, stop loss. 15, 20%.
Yeah, 20% is like is ideal like trading strategy. But if it gets to the point where you make a mistake and it gets to 30, just know that when I look at 30 sometimes, I'm like, I missed my stop. And also now the numbers say I'm better off to cut it than I am to leave it.
Mm-hmm.
So once the number double checks, it's just like, whoa. TMI is effing wrong, but use a stop loss, folks. And 30% stop loss is silly also. No, I didn't say 30% stop loss is what it should be. I said if it ever gets to 30%, that's the point of no return.
Who the heck just said that? TMI is not. It's 15.
No. I think he's right though. If he took what I said, like you should use a 30% stop loss, then he would be right to say you're effing wrong. You know what I mean?
Right. That is true. 30% stop is reckless.
That's just nuts. Right?
That is
reckless.
Just nuts.
Yeah, exactly.
Can you do a stop loss on options? You can. I don't though, because it depends on what you're trading. Because if you do a normal stop, you're gonna market order it, and you could get busted on the spread. So you could do a stop limit. So when it hits the stop, then it triggers the limit order. But I just look at it. Like if I have it on my screen, I'll just watch it and be like, all right, what's it at? If it hits a certain level, then I'll sell it. But
exactly.
Yeah, because I just, especially if you're trading like options that have like wide spreads or it's more illiquid, you can get really busted up, or it can accidentally work in your favor with a market order.
Yeah. So John Cordozo, I was responding to somebody saying I have to stop letting my contracts run worthless. So my thing is, if your contracts are going down to 0%, just take a mental note that if it ever gets down 30%, chances are it's going to 0. So if you go from losing contracts 100% to losing contracts down 30, that's a huge shift.
Mm-hmm.
And then from there, you start working with smaller and smaller stop losses, right? You can't just say, hey, if you're losing 100%, just cut it at 10. You can say that, but humans are, we learn slowly, right? So you have to just shift it up bit by bit by bit. But I like it. Education, man, education.
Is this options only? You can use 1348 with shares and with crypto if you want to.
I would say if you're going to use 1348 with shares, allow yourself to play stocks with a smaller price range so you can afford more. Just so you can make those calculations easier.
Yeah. Miles is asking TMI. I love the stop loss percentage. Where do you get your data for 30% equals you're more moist than Kenny's mayo jar? Like, is that a real rule somewhere? Like in terms of it's never coming back, it would just be probably data. Yeah, SPY.
Yeah, you can find the data. You can find different stats for options that are more likely and less likely. I'm sure there's probably like an updated. This is probably like information that's probably 3 or 4 years old, to be honest. There's probably more updated data for retail investors. Like last time I checked, I think it was like 70 to 75% of the trades that retail investors make end up in losses. Right. So when people say like, hey, look, take a 10% or 20% stop loss, The reason why that's being said is because, we have to know what the numbers are and know what our chances are and
Right.
start making more educated decisions. The more we stick to a plan, a true trading plan, the more successful we'll be, right? But I can definitely get some stats, some updated stats. They're not too hard to find. If I get them, I'll send them to SCV2, and then we can just
we can throw them
have
out
them on
there.
the live stream. Have them
We
with
throw
us
it in
on
the
sticky
Discord
notes.
too.
True. Oh, and the benchmarks I'm gonna get this week, so that's gonna be fun.
Oh yeah. You think SNDL will hit $1 to prevent delisting? I don't know, man.
Who's gonna get delisting?
SNDL, they have like 180 days. They got to get to $1. They're at 58 cents right now.
Oh, I think they'll get to $1. I just don't know if they can hold it.
They got to do it like on the day, I think. They have to hold $1 on that. Or it's for a period of time, I think. I think they do have to hold it for a period of time. SNDL is trash. I don't like SNDL. It's just they do weird stuff. It's really high float. It does have short interest, but like the float on it is 2.04 billion. They will reverse split. I've heard they don't. I've heard the CEO was like, I don't want a reverse split. You're joining the Discord? Mel, welcome, buddy.
Welcome in. You'll be on the pre-market live stream soon.
Oh, yeah. So they have to hold it for 10 days. That's a lot. Look out on SPY. Oh, avocado's printing right now.
SNDL, that means that they would have to partake in the mid to small cap squeezes. So if they start squeezing along with everything else for a certain extent of time, they can definitely hold that for 10 days. It can definitely happen. But the only thing is that it has to happen before 180 days or they're screwed.
They're out. Yep. Well, yeah. they'll do something they'll probably on the Canadian exchanges, but they're a Canadian company.
So we'll see. SPY to 500, then 1,000. Very good. All right, buddy. I'm out. I'm about to go get a video start for later on tonight. Catch you on the flip side. People, have yourself a good long weekend.
Later, buddy. Have some fun.
Take care.
All righty, people. So as you guys are filtering in still, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algo. SPY's coming down. Avocado. I bet you're printing on this. Stop spam. Who's spamming? 180%? Jesus. Angel is spamming. Who's Angel? I don't see anybody named Angel spamming. I don't think he's spamming. I don't see it spamming. Oh, there it is. That's two of them. All right. If it happens again, yeah, SPY is getting clapped. Coming down a little. Avocado. This one does have a little bit more downside left, I think. 5-minute MACD cross. Looks like it could come down. You could be really good on that one. Max pain for AMC is 1950. So, when Tracy will never come back. SPY to 400. Oh, boy. I don't think A is actually selling shares. I think he's donating the shares. So the company, whoever the charity gets the donation is holding the shares. So it's no sale. It's just a transfer of ownership, I think. I have a theory. Shorters will hold until AMC dilutes their shares again and then cover. Thoughts? Well, they won't be able to dilute their dilute unless we allow them to, which nobody in their right mind right now would vote yes on more AMC dilution, and they don't need it. Like, they have so much money right now. Like, yeah, it would be good for them to have more money, but nobody's going to let them dilute on retail. Power hour about to turn into sour hour. It could. Let's see. We are getting some news over here. So what's the news looking like? Unclear if Russians will sit down for talks in good faith, says Saki. Putin calls for military reserve forces to undergo training with a decree tonight. Oh, boy. U.S. believes Russia positioned for Ukraine attack. All options are on the table for possible Russia sanctions. Brainerd sees balance sheet runoff starting the next few FOMC meetings. Ooh. Apes need more money right now. That's what 1348's for. YOLO SPY puts for next week. Good luck. If it's at 400, though, I think those are going to expire worthless because I know you were saying SPY to 400, so careful with that. SPY is coming down a little bit here, though. How is UVXY not higher? Well, it's just moving with where's UVXY right here? So UVXY is coming up, a little bit of a double bottom. Same thing here, a little double top on the SPY. UVXY double bottom start to come back up. But again, SPY hasn't gotten back up to these levels here, and it hasn't come down to the other previous low. So that's kind of what UVXY makes perfect sense right here. And SPY is only down 0.5% today. Can we be logical? Seriously, this makes me think we are all being used and brainwashed. On what, Kevin? Heard there are more puts at 18 than calls, so I suppose we close above that. Maybe. Well, that'd be nice if there's a bunch of puts at. Oh, I don't even have the chain over here. Hold on. Add a widget. I want it here. I want it up here. Bing bong. Oh, what the heck? All right, so we're gonna have to do this. Okay, this is annoying. There we go. Back to normal. So for Amy over here on the chain, let's see what we got. Whoa. Oh, and then I have to do this. Dude, Weeble got all messed up on me today. So at 18, there's about 5,000 calls, 6,000 puts. Nothing too crazy on the option chain for this week. So Amy trying to pop here. SPY still near the lows over here. UVXY coming up a little bit. You played UVXY both ways, at least a month out. You've made 15% minimum. I made over 100%. Nate, attaboy. There you go. Kevin, I just told you that I don't think he's selling them. I think it's a transfer of ownership. There's no selling. Let's see here. SPY at 380. Jesus. That would be really aggressive. All right, we're getting more news over here. No decision has been made on more gasoline policy steps. All gasoline options on the table, including tax holiday. Ooh. I would have thought there would have been lots of calls for this week. There's a decent amount, but it's not anything crazy. AMC 1782. SPY popping up a little bit here. What's with all the selling? Fear candles. Lots of fear candles really flickering across the entire market. So, damn. All gasoline free. Let's see. Amy, 1781. What's the inner? You just got to put the 13 EMA, the 48 EMA, and the 200 EMA. Let's see. SPY coming up to this 48 right here. What's it on the 1 minute? Probably the 13, right? Yep, right up to the 13. Dude, SPY has been so predictable. Jeez. It is a transfer ownership, but what happens if that charity wants to liquidate and spend for cash? Boom, sold, unless it's an ape charity. Yeah, who knows? I mean, I don't know. I don't know what he's doing. Ask Tracy. True. Should have gotten. I should have got all puts to hedge my VXX put. Yeah. I hope me Kevin is wrong. I mean, I hope he is too, but he's looking pretty right so far. SPY moving back down. Riding some SPY puts over the long weekend. Chances of more fear in Russia feels like good odds to take. Yeah, do I use unusual whales? No, but I've used it a few times in the past. He already was, lol. He got burned with Tesla. I think he's still net very positive on Tesla. Plus, it's only 50,000 shares. True, that's less than like a third of a 1 minute candle sometimes. SPY moving back down here. Amy 1779. UVXY is starting to come up here. UVXY is about to get a nice little 1348 cross to the upside too. Lou said this was over. Cool. What's the source? What's the evidence? What's the backing up of information? All right. Amy coming down a little bit. How do I think the VIX will move for the rest of the day? Probably up a little bit. SPY selling off. Amy 1775. Let's see. So yeah, SPY coming down. Ooh, Kevin, what I would recommend to you is learn the 1348 strategy and be able to make money in the market too. Because a lot of the people that are in here that are using it and printing on a day-to-day basis, they see these moves in AMC and it's like, all right, whatever. My account is net green on the day, even with the AMC moves. So they can just sit here for as long as they want and be like, all right, cool. I'm still making money. I'm waiting for AMC to go. In the downtrend in that whatever position that you have, it's counteracted by whatever you're making in the market. 230%. Jesus, squirrel. 50.28% on a SPY put. Jesus, SPY 430 end of the day. That's really far. I don't think that's going to happen. Me, Kevin bought 1,000 shares of Tesla on yesterday's dip. Oh boy. Oh boy. Well, me, Kevin just got like, he thinks the market's really going to come down. So he just sold everything except for AMC and like bought more Tesla and had like a lucid short. UVXY is coming up here. SPY's coming down. Oh, avocado. You're crushing it, dude. Oh my God. Does the avocado news earlier of no. 1348 got me 78% today on SPY call in just 12 minutes. There you go. I made the trade free at 230%. There you go. Ride that thing, dude. That thing is getting dirty to the downside. You're going to eat Adderall and study 1348 all weekend. I'm going to do homework and sleep and drink energy drinks to try to stay awake. All righty, folks. So again, as you're filtering in, guys, make sure you're engaging with the content. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithms. Remember, the DMI was having issues with YouTube today. We were having some issues earlier with my screen freaking out. So if you guys don't mind, costs you nothing to do it. Helps out a whole lot. So thank you, guys. Let's see. What is 1348? Says Nick Tico. Check out the Discord, the free part of the Discord in the top, learn the strategy. And then if you want to join premium to get the alerts on when the 1348 crosses are happening, go for it. UVXY is coming up here. So SPY's still selling off. Oh, avocado. There you go. Actually, 1348 doesn't take that much effort. It's pretty simple to work. Exactly. That's why it's simple. Yeah, just got to watch Gabe's videos. Yep. Okay, thank you. Anytime. Oh my God, SPY is selling here. Oh man. Let's see. 300%. Jesus. Why do you have the 200 EMA yellow? Why would the 48 EMA? Why does it matter what my colors are? I can change them to pink, purple, whatever. It doesn't matter. Let's see. SPY still selling off here. Amy coming down 1773. Struggling. Struggle bus over here on the market right now. It's struggling. AMC not recovering. Probably not today. 1348 is the golden cross. Well, no, it's not the golden cross. That would be the 50 and the 200 MA. Is he still saying SPY to 1,000? All right. Angel, I'm going to have to put you in timeout, buddy. We don't have spam. No more spam. Because Review Dork says so. Get your colors right. I can have my colors whatever I want them to be. I'm telling Gabe on you. It's fine. SPY crossing down. Yeah, SPY is crossing down right now. People get really mad over everything when the market's down. Yeah, they do. We're sitting good over here. SPY puts, SPY calls. USO. Where's USO right now? Is that looking good? Yeah, USO's looking all right. BBIG chart right now is messed up. Dude, you see it on the 1 minute? It's ridiculous. The 1 minute chart on BBIG is ridiculous. Alrighty. SPY flickering around. Red and green cross on 1348 makes sense. I don't know. I like blue and red. The new golden cross. There you go. AMC rip. No, I'm 1775 right here. We're at the Declaration of Independence again. All right, let's see. Let's see here. My 13 is green, 48 red, and 200 white. I live on the edge. We charge $69 for the 1348 alerts. That's crazy. Not really. One, we want you to actually learn the strategy. Two, it alerts on 300 stocks. Four, if you're not making more than that in a month, with 1348, you're probably doing something wrong. The other thing is the strategy is completely taught and out there for free to learn. The thing is you can't get the alerts and see the market on 300 stocks on different time frames crossing. So that's the system that we've set up. So I mean, you don't have to join. It's fine. Learn the strategy, but if you do want the alerts, that's what it's there for. 430% gain on space. Jesus. That is gnarly. What's the best video for 1348? It's Gabe has a bunch of videos on it. 300 stock alerts is nice. Yeah. I think it's 350 now. $300 stock alerts is nice. I got you. K5. There you go, buddy. Is the Discord really a tax write-off? Are you guys joking about that? No. It's actually a tax write-off. You can write off Bloomberg. You can write off Ortax. You can write off all that stuff. Thank you, sir. Anytime. Stop scamming people. All right, WM. What is a scam? Let's see. That's not how Review Dork said the colors should be. Guys, you're coming after me for the colors? Let's see. Why do I get alerts in the middle of the night, midnight? That's my only question. Oh, you get the alerts in the middle of the night because we have crypto alerts too. It alerts on, I don't know how many cryptos are in there, but there's a lot of them that are loaded up on it. You said if I subscribe, my hair would go back. Scammer. The colors are a scam. All right, people. Change the colors? No, stop. Guys, what is the deal with the colors? The colors have been like this for like the last 3 weeks. Why are you just now coming out and talking about the colors? We need to do a video on 1348 common mistakes. We talk about that in the live streams that we do. So we do private live streams 1 or 2 times a week for the premium members of the Discord. Rant on colors. Let's see. We demand ankles. Well, that would mean that we're demanding 20. Ow, my knee hurts right now. I'm struggling, people. I think I'm dying. Vix, hit Alt-1 on your keyboard? No. Can you turn off crypto alerts? Yeah, you just have to just turn off the notifications for that specific channel. You were following the wrong color line. Guys, it's the blue line's the 13, the red line's the 48, the green line's the 25 MA, and the yellow line's the 200 EMA. You're filing a complaint with the feds about STB's chart colors. You know what? Squirrel? You know what's happening to your puts right now? They're capitulating. You need to make that free, though, so people can get the money to afford the premium. The videos are out there. The videos and the strategy is out there completely for free. The entire strategy is there for free. We talk about it all the time. Ow, my... Oh, can you do a live 1348 one day? Dude, I've done them like... I've done like a lot today. Yes, I do them every single day. You have too many followers? WM, what? WM, why are you watching me then? Why, you're just coming in here to Shilly McShiller face? All right, Amy 1777 over here. Let's see. What color are my ankles? I mean, the normal color. Can you show one example again? Sure. So right here. This is a 200% play. Right here. Boom. 13 crosses above the 48 right here. You wait for it to get above the 200. You enter here. It runs all the way up to here. That's a 200% play. Right here. Bing bong. The ORAV. What's up, buddy? How many calls do I have for next week? 0. Spy's bouncing up here a little bit. Let's see. Let's see. Mm-mm-mm. When you only have like $40 in settled cash, how do you get an option for that price? Are they way far out? No, it just depends on the stock that you want to trade. It just depends on the specific stock that you want to be trading. You can get contracts like one strike out of the money, especially on a Friday for like $10. Let's see. The SEC cannot okay. The SEC cannot go out and use BSTX. It's a listed exchange. It's approved. It's all good to go, I believe, but companies have to then list on there. If companies don't list on that exchange, it's like, okay, well, then nothing really is going to happen. YOLO that $40. You could. Spy popping up here a little bit. Amy, 1787 over here. Spy rebound. Maybe. I heard you say that you only have a little settled cash and still getting options. Oh, that's like towards the end of the day when I blow through the cash balance. Took profits at 200%. There you go. How many 1348 do I play at the same time? It depends. It depends. Depends on the day. If I see things start to pop off and it starts to get going, I'll take a bunch of them. USO popping up here. Spy's getting a little action. Amy, let's see if we can get that close above 18. Amy rips $2 in 20 minutes. That'd be pretty sweet. Heard you got a paper cut on your finger. I've got like a giant gap. I like chopped it off, basically. I can hear SCV money printer in the background going brr. Well, the money printer today was firing. The USOs were solid. The spy puts were solid. The spy calls were solid. If I was on TD, I probably would have played spy puts again. Don't reach for trades. Follow the rules. Yep. Must have been a big piece of paper. No, it was a giant bottle of shattered Tito's. It was not a paper cut. It was a nasty cut. Let's see here. Yeah. Also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Help get some more people in here. Going into the close. Let's see. Another weekend of depression after being so pumped this morning. Jim, what happened? What happened? Someone changed your name to SCV's missing finger chunk. Oh, yeah. I'm going to take a look at it right after the stream and see what's good with it, but I don't think it's going to look very pretty. I think it's going to look pretty bad. Spy coming down. Little bit of a test of these EMAs and MAs over here and then settling back down. Hope your hand gets better over the weekend. My fractured finger is healing up nicely. See you on Tuesday, I guess. Jordan. Yeah, we both got messed up fingers over here. So let's see. Look at it now. Show us. Should I look at it now? No. Okay. So here's the thing. If I look at it now, I have to take the packing peanut off. And if I rip it, if it's stuck and I rip it off, it'll just open it up again and I'll be a struggle bus. So that's not really what I want right now. So I'll do it after. How many stitches? They couldn't do stitches with it because it was just like chunk off. Trying to get sympathy likes is beneath you. I'm not trying to get sympathy likes. SCV throwing gauge signs with one finger. Super glue. They couldn't do that either. Stream the infection reveal. They should have cauterized it. Yeah, they should have. Amy coming up here a little bit. Spy coming up. Show your finger at 1801. No. Would be entertaining. If I just started bleeding all over the place on stream. You re-entered puts? Jeez. You're a wild boy. Can Spy hit 5? What is this Spy 500 nonsense? You guys are crazy. We get cut on our best days. Yeah. Slicing myself up over here. Note to self. Do not chunk off your finger. Yeah, it's not a good time, especially on the Super Bowl and right before Valentine's Day. Uh-oh, avocado. Spy's coming up here. Shills. Do not show it on YouTube. We'll use it as exclusive block. Yeah, I know. I'm not going to. There have to be Yeah, a lot of bots out here today. It's fine. Spy. Okay. Everybody that's getting timed out now. Let's see. Spy of the moon. Why are you guys so bullish on Spy? Why are you guys so bullish on the market now? Is this the new thing? Imagine if we go green. Yeah, I mean, we're down $1. We got 15 minutes left. Let's see what happens, but it's looking bleak. It's looking a bit bleak. Let's see what we get over here. Up $1,100 on the day. STV Squirrel, atta boy. Moon mission. I'd love to get a moon mission. I did, man, to sacrifice for STV's finger. I already sacrificed it. All right. Amy, 1791. I'd love to see a close above 18 just because STV sliced the finger. BBIG is like a boxing match, barcoding big time. Dude, if you look at it on the 1 minute, it looks like they just turned on the algo on high and we're just like, run it. Look at this. Look at this. How the hell is this normal? This is not normal. How is this normal price action right here? What the hell is this? The volume is 15 million. I could see if the volume was like 100,000. The volume is 15 million on BBIG today, and it's barcoding like an OTC penny stock. Look at this. This is the algos have gotten this thing. Jesus. SPY back down. Ooh, avocado printing again. There you go, buddy. Bullish on your finger. You did a half-ass finger sacrifice. The gods are not amused. Look at the chart. True. Glitch. This is not a glitch. This is just this is pure manipulation. This is like, look, it's literally the same thing. 312 to 313. Ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping. Like, what the hell is this? Saw a bear flag and you just wrecked it. There you go. Spotify. Okay. Or a text on BBIG. It's a lot. It's a lot over here on Biggie. Let's see. Or text on BBIG. Then we'll do Amy. Oh, wow. Securities lending volume on this thing is huge today. Net return of 4.3 million shares, 128% average cost to borrow, 27.62% estimated short interest, 100% utilization on Biggie. Jesus. AMC over here. Let's take a look at what they've done on this. Net borrow of 1.69 million shares, 21.11% estimated short interest, 1.47% average cost to borrow. Fake cost to borrow, fake Ortex. Fake utilization. Cost to borrow is probably not fake. It's covering, selling. Well, yeah, pretty much. That's pretty much what it looks like. Take winners off at 50%, just like STV's finger. SPY calls, let's go. I can't do anything for the rest of the day, but today was very fun. 1.47% cost borrow is total bullshit, especially when it's the same number every single day. It's like, all right, cool. Ortex is a complete FUD at this point. Not really. It's just like, what? None of it makes sense. Like, I'll tell you, like, Ortex is the best thing that we have, and usually it looks good. Usually it's like, all right, these numbers make sense. Like, most of the time it's like, all right, I could see that being the number. But now none of it makes sense. At 100% utilization, we should have at least 5 or 6% cost to borrow. At least. It should honestly get up as high as 20. Go on a rant and make Amy run. 1789. The rants usually make Amy go. We haven't seen it recently, but, you know. Let's see. SPY puts, my dudes. 120 million shares utilized, 5 billion fake shares, 2% utilization. That's closer to the real number. Yeah. SPY's coming up now. Amy, 1791. Come on, let's get over that 18. Let's see here. Where's the oil? Down a little bit. Brent crude is up though. What's Biggie going to do in after hours when the algos switch off? I don't think they are going to switch off. But like, look, they're still doing it. Hey, I'm watching you right here. You're ping-ponging it. Look, it starts right here and just goes. It just ping-pongs. Max Payne, 1950. Here's my question for the weekend. What would it take to manipulate cost to borrow with utilization at 100%? It doesn't make any sense. They are in the business of making money. They should jack up the cost to borrow. It makes complete sense that cost to borrow should be a lot higher than what it's at right now. They must have a high electricity bill. Yeah, look at this. This is crap. Amy, 1788 over here. You know who's great at ping pong? The O-Rev. I'm nasty at ping pong. Just gonna put that out there. Like, people say they're good, but I'm like actually legit. How are they allowed to ping pong? Dude, I have no idea, but this is complete and utter bullshit. SPY moving back down. Avocado. There it goes. Dude, a low volume? No, the volume on it's 15.43 million. Like, that's not that low. What's the float? 87 million. That is not that low. Let's see here. Forrest Gump was a beast at beer pong. I mean, ping pong. Sorry, I'm tired. All right. Hey, Angel, you're gonna get banned. Actually, you get one more timeout. Think of what you've done, and then you get banned. Are options considered day trades? Yes. SPY moving back down now. BBIG still ping-ponging at literally the exact same. Literally the exact same prices. What if Citadel's hedge fund is borrowing shares to short from Citadel's market maker? The market maker is not a prime broker. They're not loaning shares. Ping pong. BBIG is wrong. Yeah. Is there any chance? Oh, Ethan, thank you so much for the super. Any chance there's a large firm or two with a large lendable position holding cost borrow low as hedge? There could be. It's possible, Ethan. It's very possible. What they could be doing is like, it doesn't make any sense. 23% on SPY. Did you do another one? You psycho? I can't think of a better time for apes to sell in the last 10 minutes on a Friday. Yeah, I doubt it. 1785. SPY is selling off over here. Angel should be banned hours ago. Looks like Amy is going to get a sacrifice after all today. I don't think Angel can hold it in for the last 3 minutes. Yeah, we got 7 minutes left. Sacrifice me for Amy to go green. Logan, I'll sacrifice you, buddy. Yeah, BlackRock and Vanguard could be, but it makes no sense. Like, if you were one of these institutions, just think about it logically. Why would you loan out so many of these shares if it's just going to hurt your position? They have much more of an interest and benefit much more if the stock just goes up. Sacrifice me for puts on SPY, put master. There you go, bud. There you go. All right, people. We got 7 minutes left. Let's see what we're going to get over here. Let's see what we're going to get. Settlement for trading options is T1. Yeah, SPY flicker. Dude, BBIG is the most bullshit thing I've seen all day. Amy, 1785. Sacrifice me. I'll say my goodbye now. All right, not a hedge fund. You will be sacrificed. Oops, I almost sacrificed max headroom. All right, let's see. All moving the same. Yeah, it's just algorithmic trading. It's the algos run the market. This is a well-known fact. Like, when people say like, oh, wow, why is Amy selling off? It's like, well, the SPY's capitulating. Like, it's going to drag everything down. Should it be like that? No, but that's how it is. Maybe they're paying them in other ways through shell companies. Why, though? You really want the cost bar to stay low that bad? Why wouldn't you want to squeeze on a big long position that you have? 1348 seems too good to be true. What's the catch? Well, you have to know what you're doing. You can't just like willy-nilly start like taking like trades that like you still have to look at the chart and be like, all right, this looks good. This doesn't look good. Let's see. Algorithm. They did not do the same thing with Nvidia yesterday. No. It was much worse on BBIG today. 23% down. Dude, they get volatile into close, huh? They get volatile into close. Sacrifice, casual fool. There you go, buddy. Yeah, BBIG just got algo tracked today. This is the craziest thing ever. Like, it doesn't do anything today. Could they be paying a synthetic cost to borrow? Technically, there is no cost to borrow on naked shorts, but there is because the hedge funds don't know that they have naked shorts. It's all created by the prime brokers and the banks. Ethan, thank you so much for the super. They see our enthusiasm around cost to borrow, so a small lending long position to curb lesser day-to-day incoming short volume, hedge against momentum. They could, but it doesn't make any sense. If that's their deal and they want to make money, one, they wouldn't be suppressing it on AMC. They would just go out and buy BBIG and loan that out, or buy any of these other stocks just to loan them out to collect that fee. 1348 has made me so much money these last couple of months, and it's so simple. A caveman could do it. Exactly. That's why it's there. Literally the premium's just going to turbocharge everything and take you to the next level. You'll literally just be like, it's like the limitless pill, because then you can just see everything. You just look at the alerts and they just come through and you're like, all right, chart, boom. And then you can see it. Let's see here. What do we have going on here, folks? What's up, Rhode Island, man? Just got 30 more AMC though. Hope you all have a great weekend. Rhode Island, thanks for popping in, man. Why don't you ever use the alerts on stream? I don't know. Sometimes I see them flicker through, but I'm not like staring at my phone the entire day. We kind of are. You guys are calling stuff out sometimes that you're seeing. But, I mean, if you really want to get all of them, that's when you're going to need to go. You don't have to. That's the thing. It's like, just learn the strategy and you can implement it for yourself. Made it quick. 37% on SPY puts. Ape juggling knives. There you go, buddy. I love to see that. All right, we got 3 minutes left to go. Sacrifice me in the name of your finger infection, Dan. There you go, bud. I'm sacrificing you to the willy-nilly. What the hell is that? SPY coming back up a little here. Amy, 1786. BBIG, literal barcoding. All righty, folks. Let's see here. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move back up. Sundial, I'm not a fan. Sacrifice me with Tito's. Oh, here comes BBIG back down. Wow, a first normal candle, unless they're going to do one of these where they just drop it and then ping pong it again. Been watching 1348. You're sold big time. Still trying to figure out the best platform to do options. I like Webull. You could do it on TD. BBIG ripping sideways. Yeah, pretty much. All right, people. 2 minutes left. Here we go. Sacrificing myself. Go to class. Airplane mode. Uh-oh. Wait, I got to make sure I'm getting you. There we go. All right. SPY flickering around into close. Amy, 1785. BBIG. Now it's got that new level where it's just going to ping pong. Biden's on at 4. Amy. I did some investigations. You're correct about volume, not the reason BBIG barcoding. Exactly. Like if you look at the average volume on BBIG, like look at the day. Like, look, it's okay. It is a little bit lower, but we've seen days like what's this volume day? 20 million. This is 15 million. What's yesterday? 22 million. Like what's this day right here? Like it is like lower volume, but like on these days here, where it's like 8 million, 11 million, like it's not barcoding like that. It's crazy. On the 1 minute, it's ridiculous. TLT. Oh, hold on. TLT. What did it do? Ding, ding, ding. Holy TLT at close. The hell was that? The hell was that, TLT? Somebody just put in a big buy order on TLT. Interesting. Yay, my TLT calls. What did it shoot up to? 138, 37 at close. All right. Ding, ding, ding. The market is closed. Amy closed the day at 17.89. We got GME at 121.53. SPY, we absolutely stole all the market makers' money today on the SPY. So, all right, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream on your way out. And if you do want to learn the 1348 strategy, make sure you hop into the Discord that's linked at the top of the chat and the first link in the description as well. Amy popping up to 18 a little bit here. And then if you want to join premium, awesome. It's just going to turbocharge whatever you're doing, but definitely learn the strategy. Very, very solid. But yeah, special shout out to all the mods, all the new members. You guys are awesome. And everyone's just being positive. Thank you guys so much for an awesome week. I'll have a video out for you guys tomorrow, maybe Sunday and Monday as well. Market is going to be closed on Monday, so we'll figure out something to do. But other than that, guys, I'm going to head out. I got to get some work done, and then I'm probably going to bed. How's everybody doing? Everybody have a good week. 1348, a lot of fun this week. A lot of fun on the 1348 this week, people. Let's see. Love the channel. Thank you. I appreciate that. So I'm going to head out, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out, and peace.